You say I want to go out on the road. Which me did already plan to go on the road. Me go carry you with me. And you know what I want you to do? Listen to me keenly. Yes, when you go out on the road, you don't know nobody. See, I'm blind here and deaf. Act like you don't see things that when you see it. You don't have no money if you buy nothing at all from nobody. All if you have money, you don't have no money. You understand me? If you even see somebody where you know, act like you don't even know them. Hold your head straight. You hear me?
Yes, Mommy.
Okay, because you see this lifetime you are living in. You see the longer you keep your mouth shut, the longer you keep your mouth shut, and the longer you live.
Yes, Mommy.
Remember when we said, see I'm blind here and deaf. He that keepeth his mouth, keepeth his?
Yeah.
Okay. So guess what you're going to learn to do? Mind your one?
Yes.
Okay. So come on.
This time I'm not going to go back up here.
Come, you didn't want to come.
I carry you, man, not for yourself. Yeah, just I take care of them something here. Finish off with the funeral. And here time, alright, baby girl?
Yes,
So let's make mommy throw there. Hold up your head. What's up? Long time I not see you.
Yes,
We are
girl.
going with them
How will you come?
The other day, big problem.
Alive.
Yeah, by them so
Oh,
all
go on, your
those
ear look
fire.
nice though.
Thanks.
Look real nice.
Thanks.
Jesus Christ, me didn't know someone that see you again.
Husband dead.
Yo?
Husband.
Oh God.
Not all of that.
Condolence.
Thanks.
Then do? Then dip you?
It's a lot.
Oh God.
A lot.
Look here. Me don't go about my business, but when me see you in a long time, if you come out that son and go in and show you, me not come to my son, master. We have to go chat. A long time, we don't see one another. Master. Furniture. I soon talk to you. I talk to my friend. You not pick me wait first. Where's some girl then dip you?
Yes.
And your husband did 2 crosses 1 time. Condolence to you and your family. They there?
Sorry, I come to take care.
Oh my, you look nice to turn on your chain. After that girl, you never see your mother chain and say good. The name part for the right here, so you have to fix up your mother, you know.
Yeah, but you didn't.
Perfect now.
A lot.
Only for sitting good down.
Yeah. 9 days, 9 night, funeral, all of the big one in that stuff. But you know me a girl when I give her. As much as I take it, I try to start it, I feel right. But me I try to take care of this first. But it just come crashing down. I never expect this. I never had a report. Them say one day after the but I never expect.
They come unexpected, but that's the way you have to learn
But
from
one
them.
problem after the other.
One problem after the other.
Man.
Answer?
So what?
Then say
So
two
one
trouble better than
somebody
one, but I lie them at tell. Because one I want big problem already and the next one go on your double problem. You can't manage it anyway. The only thing I have to tell you say, just pray for God give strength. Because I not say enough to cry over your husband that you know. I mean, I not say enough to feel no way because then depend. But you know you're a trying girl and I know you a long time. You can't fly out, go anyway. You don't have to go back to the same country. You have different country where you can go. And you even can go back there so too. Maybe when they make different rules and things. I just say things second now. But anyway, as I said before, just continue to pray and ask that to give strength. And you know and again if you want to have a chat, if you feel down, me as your friend for a long time, you can just call my phone.
Yeah,
I see a number me have, you have it or you get
yeah.
different number.
You have to go give me a number.
Alright, so now worry yourself. Me figure out that day. Anyway, what you say now? Well, I have a problem with that, you know. Because it's my friend daughter. But you have to be careful. You understand? Be careful. Come go on over here so go stand up and you can introduce yourself and tell no one come in and know your love friend so you just see her you don't know her from nowhere. And when you talk
So you get new friends.
Make sure you turn up right there, so. And make sure say anything you do is full your belly. Go on. No go further and right there, so no come out on the inside. Go on, you love pumping it too much.
I'm bad to bad in a space, right? I can't live.
What that mean, say? That mean, say?
You know it's not easy, but me I go do my thing and make sure it's everything alright. I go focus on my daughter. Onisa, she may focus on now. This time I not go leave her. I make sure carry her with me.
That's true. Oh, you see where I go on here now? And then my girl child?
Yes, nah leave her this time and I carry her with me.
Make sure, don't leave her.
Nah leave her.
Anyway, come on, come and go over me. I go over me and see something. And then we go to the road. You're hungry, not you? Ah, Jesus. Where they go? There they go.
I want to go.
I hear say they from morning I dig out your hand, nigga.
Bother with that now, babes, man. So ask me, I can't hold our vibes in the morning.
So every day you want whole vibes. You don't want work. You just want turn up on that shop and peas and all about on the road and dig out your hand, nigga, like a flower you need.
At least I give me meds to go look work.
Oh, and friend, in much years now. You dey dig out your hand, Miguel, and it'll give you meds. I know you can't get no work. So you rather turn up your so and dig out your hand, Miguel. More and find something give your daughter feed, not true?
Daughter. Boy, I'm leaving.
Me say if you rather turn up your
even
so.
if I might pick nothing
More than go work and find something to give your daughter to eat.
Even if I might pick this, I know.
What you mean?
It's even favor me.
All after how much years, now you're just a contact. Say she no favor you.
Let's say we get some serious meds nowadays. I think I might pick that.
Okay.
Look for me, look for now.
Okay. You don't think of your child? All of a sudden, you nobody believes say your child.
I don't believe that. I
Okay.
have to do a DNA.
You know go on?
I saw my yard car, I'm hungry now. Couple me I go to work one up for you.
Over which yard?
Over my yard.
No man, name that way me hand.
You can't do me that.
Near me and all the same way. Over who for yard?
No me build your house, man.
Me build which house?
The house.
Yeah work?
I'm used to work, you know.
No. Listen, if you come over in my yard, I don't say you can't come over there, no. But you ain't gonna get nothing to eat me there. Because my daughter hungry, and if sitting over my yard for them, me figure you instead of my daughter where you just at this one, so you don't trust her for your picnic.
Can't share.
What can share?
Can't share, man.
Go on back there, so go dig out your hand, nigga, and talk to the vibes where they make this so, and see if you get something for them. Nobody with me.
Why you see them one nowadays, man? No, my yard, me I come go to, you know. I'm hungry, I lift me down, you know.
You follow back on me, Papa. Stop follow back on me, then walk by yourself and go on this part where they go.
Go on.
I don't know where you follow back on me, so every time you just follow me up. Stop follow me up. You just say me pick me look like I stay on yours. So why you follow behind me? Me and you live over the yard. You don't have to walk behind. You go on. You don't have to walk behind. We are top out. You come and say alright? Warm to you, you look so.
I don't feel so good in my belly, but I'm hurt me.
Warm to you, you have running belly?
My body does feel weak.
Oh God, so where your mother?
No, my mother there. I never grew up with no mother. I don't know my mother there. She don't exist.
So you not eat from morning or nothing at all? I wonder if you feel bad.
No, I don't eat from morning. You can't help me, please.
No, me can't help you. Me can't help you at all. All if me could have helped you, me wouldn't help you. See me have 2 old houses you have tumble down for me already. The little money we me have, I feel help them two, especially my daughter. I feel help the 2 of them, but the one you mostly. You understand? What do you mean we all house there? You have money?
I have money right now, but
you don't have no money, but you come there chat. You don't have no money. You know, stay with you having a fear pocket and fear and a robot so every day. Yes, because every day you have weed in a hand and mouth and back a year.
Sometimes I don't understand black people at all. Me they right just so they don't know argue about no business. If you want to help me. God not like wicked people, you know.
Why you not help her?
You can't do it. You can't do
You
it.
don't even have dry shit in your ass, but you come and chat. Look here. Me tired. Me can't have nobody right now. Right now, me have somebody to help me. See this a work list video. They follow back on me about money. Me have money.
Oh my God, no.
And you wicked. So you're not even mind your opinion. And me have your mind. Look here. Stop walk back on me and tell them. And she me not have. No work list, no work. You can't help her, go help her. You can't help her. Me tired, me tired. You hear your dirty pooper?
Yeah, we come out on this straight myself in front of everybody.
When you talk to me, not talk to me with your dirty cigarette where you have in your mouth. Not talk to me.
I want to take candy, man.
Me not like your style. Me tired to tell us to stop from smoke. What one? And you this a smoke, watch it. Cliff in a hand, cigarette back of ears. Me tired. Me not know a mouse me shake. I hope you me make me hear the cause me not like man who smoke.
You like when I smoke. So
You obey me. Other day, me go down the road and some people tell me how they see which woman we are Kingston run around bushy corner, a bushy part of town. How be a woman? And you must go time me, and that's why me can't find my pink dress.
You what?
Me can't find my pink panty, the one you did give me for my Valentine last year.
Me say your friend of a party last
Let which friend me and girl wear same dress. You better not ramp with me. You hear me? I tell you, the time you sit down and think negativity in your dirty brain, you go look walk and tap smoking. I make me you can't agree.
Me say I weed that give me immense blow me off it down. Me a whole lot but me can't do nothing in life, you know. Like a mad out.
Until what talk to you.
What you say I want to cook?
Oh, on me and shit.
So drive
So you want little bun and you want juice and me have to give me daughter. Anyway, you say I no feel up it me.
You know why I'm been last night, man? Alright, snipe.
Hello. You see this? Take that. Me tired and yam that. Every day you feed me pan rice and tin mackerel. You feel say me hold this and me baby.
What I have to cook? You can't cook.
You can't eat it and you not get none. Go me and son.
What do you mean me not get none?
Full black cow shit. Me not get nothing for you. Me tired to cook for you. Me not cook for you again. Me don't cook for you. Me your time for cooking for you expire. This is 2025. I'm serious.
Can get tomorrow.
Well, my daughter come right here, so I'll tell her something. Wait there, I'll fix my clothes.
Like how you eat me that time.
Wait. You feel uncomfortable. You feel alright now. Let me tell you something. You see when me and your dirty poopa go through? You see when you get big? Talk loud, make them hear you. Don't pick up no crosses like this. See there? Inbreed me and me get pregnant with you. Me suffer for 9 months. Now me have you. He did one you all along. No friend I tell him fooling in the road and chewing the smoke. When they smoke, and everybody will smoke can take you weed, you know. Or the cigarette, you know. Make up inbreed. You want to say?
How you know I'm murder?
How you not look like him? He say right now he have to go do DNA. Me don't care. I don't have a problem. Cut out his hair here and go make them DNA it.
No,
I don't business. I don't give you no jacket. You're alright. See there, you have your trunk pooper. Bunny half in yam without cheese and soda. See what you have in him out there. Don't give him none. You're in front time right now. Papi ain't it? Don't give him no.
You serious?
Mm-hmm.
You go follow your mother?
Drink it.
Yes.
So me give my daughter.
Yes, I'm here for you.
When?
Oh, that's a while ago.
No, man.
When me and my mother want.
Ambition he no have.
Man. Oh God, my daughter. My home got all.
I know what me did say me I do a big mistake. I make the biggest mistake. I make a big mistake in my whole life.
Alright, then I move right to that.
Man like you, when woman they have sex with you now, then if you use condom. And make sure. And the kind of condom where we use, with man like you know, the higher one we can bust. That mean no breed we. And we no catch nothing. Dirty out, this stuff I wanna come back in. I'm sorry. You can't find somewhere go live with your family them and leave me alone. But me you be lost. Me you give you back your money where you put in at this. Me can't bother.
Oh, me never want no money, man. Want to live with you.
Don't live with me. You have to go find one new man. It's new year. Go on where you go. My daughter, I'm sorry if you thought they fuck me in front of you, but me not tell no lie. You see it kind of graceful, dirty drunk. You see him a go on?
Yes, mommy.
You see him behave?
Yes, mommy.
This one you bought. Remember me tell you. Take your book.
Yes, mommy.
Make sure you get some education. So when you get big like me, you know, can't suffer like me if a man can't treat you like shit. You hear what me I tell you? Me I tell you plain and straight. Me not grow no corner. You hear me?
Yes, mommy.
Education is the key to success. You hear me?
Yes,
no,
mommy.
no boy. No man. Nobody at all can style you and take you for idiot. You hear me?
Yes,
In
mommy.
case then this you little more in a life, you have your education, you subject them to go look a proper job, and then go and take with themselves.
Yes,
And
mommy.
be careful of the drunk them out the road. Them are wicked.
Yes, mommy.
Anyway, eat that. And can lie down and sleep and see me. I go out the door, go sit down here.
Yes, mommy.
Alright.
Very good though.
Yeah.
Eat already?
Yeah.
Make sure you drink tea, you know. That will be the first thing you can demand and say a prayer. Cool?
Yeah.
I leave out God out. I don't know what I do. Hi, pretty girl. Hi.
Hi.
What's up?
Mm-mm.
You alright? Oh, you look so.
I don't feel so good.
Where it hurt you?
I'm belly bottom I kill me feel like I go feel.
You know where? Where you from?
Yeah. From Matches Lane.
So you feel exactly?
Body just feel weak.
Your temperature high.
I don't feel so good.
You know, I don't have much money, but I'm gonna take you to the doctor because same I don't want somebody to take care of my daughter just in case she come through the same situation, alright? So just come. We shall go on the other side. You eat something as it? No?
Mommy, I have food over yard.
Alright, I'm gonna make sure you get something. I'm carry her to the doctor.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Kayla.
What's your name?
Kayla.
Alright, baby girl, Kayla. I am Serena. This one that's Anisha.
Onicia. Hi. Hi.
So I'm gonna take care of you.
I thank God someone help me.
You're welcome. Then when you take your medication, then one time you eat before you take it, alright?
Yeah. Daddy.
No. I just see her up the road and she never feels so good, so I'm gonna take her to the doctor. I'm gonna get her the medication. Then my last I have, but I still make sure say she alright. Understand?
You
She
love
good
me,
man.
take a teeth for my teeth.
No, she not feel so good. She not feel good.
You don't get breakfast this morning. So why you not eat no breakfast?
I want a macaroni rice.
What do you mean by you don't want no macaroni and rice? I want me have me provide.
But that it make
Anyway.
me sick.
Where is that?
I'm gonna get her something for it. I'm gonna get her some medication. So make sure say she take it.
What me not no money?
It's okay. It's alright.
A piece of what me there go from
She
morning, me
good
people
man.
can't
You're
get
good.
no money.
Not for yourself.
Alright,
So
okay.
just and take time with her.
Yeah, me see.
Alright,
Bye,
take care,
Serena.
baby girl. Alright.
Bye.
Because embarrass you want to embarrass me?
You are embarrassing, Daddy.
My daughter,
Yes, mommy.
don't stop and rest off because I'm tired. Can't go no further. I'm tired so big. Rest a little bit. I catch it like cool breeze, yeah. Tired bad. Because you see a lift fan over yard,
Yes, mommy.
you poop out that dead if you go look what can fix it. Big old dirty thinking workless man me pick up but me make them come breed me and come give me. Look how you're nice. Eh? You know, say if you chew me here inside other day, say, I wonder if him or your daddy. Come here one man went there before me and him there, you know. So maybe a jacket now. Say to him, do please me I beg in the name of Jesus kind. Don't chat boy mouth do DNA already.
Afternoon.
Afternoon. You know him?
No, mommy.
No, you mad.
But me don't know you either. Who you where you want?
I want to know you. Look like you're married. Oh, you're not married. Cause on the right hand there. So you live alone?
Sir, where you name?
Huh?
Where you come from and where you come about?
Mike.
Eh?
Mike, my name. Mike.
Mike?
Mm-hmm.
Where you live?
You live up the road there.
So I first me I see you. And you just come and just stand up and listen to me and my daughter's story. That me not like we do
No, I wasn't. I wasn't fasting about your man. Now what this
Yeah.
and this and that. I wasn't overhearing that and she
You
had
hear
jacket
me say that about me
and
man?
this and that. No, me never did over listen. Me just I don't know.
Alright, where you come about?
Well, me I look at a woman. If you put on a yard, to take care of my daughter. That's enough come off of the road.
So, I devil tell you if you come tap you so come me look desperate if you go leave a house with one need a dirty foot man. Because me don't have one dirty crosses already when I like walk.
I don't know if you live with him.
Oh.
You think when they just
Right
separate?
now, me want to deport him from out of room.
Oh.
Me no want him there, but that don't mean say me need another dirty foot workless man we love smoke and turn up a place
No,
and beg.
look. We not deal with smoke it. I find it on the road. We not deal with smoking. No deal with smoking.
So I walk you mad people. You not deal with smoking. Where you do with this?
I find it on the road.
So mad me think a mad people alone walk and pick up things. You're mad.
How?
What you do with that?
As I say,
As me talk, so me no want no man. Who know?
I'm plumbing. See there. I work me, I come from a plumbing work me do sometime now and then and me fix people sewage pipe. If a tile bung up, me come free up it.
See me toilet? I one toilet me have. And it will never bung.
You don't know anything can happen.
Not no fast in there, it can't bung up.
You don't know never girl picky
One
them flush.
toilet me have and it cannot burn, it ever stay clean, you're too bright. I ring with me.
No.
Two for toilet.
No,
What
but
kind of toilet you
them a young girl and nowadays they now burn pad na dig hole put in there
yeah,
them
me
a flush
toilet
it.
nice and clean.
Never
Can't bung. Nobody can put no rag or no stapling or nothing down in my toilet. I one toilet me have. And it have to clean with bleach and disinfectant everything. You brighty?
I'm not really
One
bright.
toilet and it nice and clean and fresh and me shower. You brighty?
And it's just that
And me shower have to clean. One shower.
But
Nice
why-
and clean and fresh.
my wife pack up and left me because me don't have no money.
You
And
never ask about your wife. How what happened, sir? What make you come and complain?
no, because you see a come to your daughter to me and say, yeah, you can't come to mine like how you come to your daughter. You understand?
Hold on there. So what your business in our business?
My name business is right.
And how few business pertaining to your business to me come to your daughter? Where me know you and your daughter from, sir? Where you say your name again, Mike?
Mm-hmm.
Mike, if I the devil send you come telling you buck up and one of God's child, go on where you go. Me not look nobody. And you look poor and bossy and broke, not backside. You better you go and look on you.
We can
Look
buy
there.
we can buy tin
See
mackerel.
there? Look how my slippers dirty. Because the dirty foot man may have Kevin buy soap give me right now. I want woman yard me they come from.
Uh-huh.
Wash me go wash some dirty clothes. And you know what woman said to me? She never remember if tell me from morning before me start wash say she no have no money, so if me can wait till next week. Because they sit near there now. They sit near make me mad. So me tired of broke man, me tired of broke life. Back to the sender devil. Me a come out of there and sit there. Any of me if you go take up one man you know, and when me run the little dirty broke foot baby face man the way they in me yard, they not even want to shave. All he do every day is like an idiot.
Are you wrong?
Once I was blind.
You
but now-
wrong.
Yes,
You
because
should
she
have
be
put
blind.
him out making him look wrong.
Serious? You think I little run me running junker from around me?
No,
And when you there for here one time me they dab him up. And he not no shame. All he do is go in the kitchen and name out the bun in the pot.
Little girl don't be like your mother, yeah?
Yes, sir.
What you mean?
No, me
What you
tell
know
him.
about me? What you know about me?
No.
No, talk
No.
to that truth. What you know about me?
Me just
Come
know you.
here.
Me just
Stand
know
up
you.
right here, so. What you know about me?
Me
Make
just
you-
know you.
So where you contact about she not fi be like mother like you know something about me? Talk to the
No,
world.
Joe, you go along.
How me a go along? Fi say me no want a dirty foot, broke foot, nasty foot, man with a smoke and turn up a pays on a bed. Every friend when you pass one cliff and $100.
But as you go wrong
So-
to get a picnic with him, that's why I say don't
I
follow your
did not
mother
know. That's why you
footsteps.
feel listen when me they talk. So me say once I was blind, but now I can see. I get more and get rid of the drunk girl.
Oh, don't be like your father, your mother. Don't weed
Don't
out.
mix me up. Go on, bro. Don't wheel up. Go on, this party I'm
Don't
gonna
need no
start.
weed and don't cuss like your mother.
How
And,
get the name
and
right?
don't.
Eh?
My father.
Give me some. Look here, old idiot just like you. Come
Mike
on.
Williams.
You enough people. That's what you do. Walk and turn up and listen people business all about pan road and then take it go care.
Me?
Look here, I'm my business. And if me want tell me that how in dirty pooper stay, let me tell him to not pick up no man like in dirty pooper that no concern you.
All right. I
Me no
hear.
want you. Me no want you. Look how much underpants you have for your van. Magalakawa.
Oh.
Look here, expensive drives me here. Victoria's Secret. All of me man no have no money. Me watch people dirty clothes and buy me wanna drive them. No come rent.
They have the copycat for Victoria's Secret. Me can
One day
buy.
ago you think like a shit.
Me can buy.
So school.
You did good, but somebody did a try to take my money.
You say to your teacher?
Mm-hmm.
What was the
She didn't
barrier?
say nothing. She said one thing not take you away good.
So you not get nothing for eat?
Yeah, me get some for it. Come and never give me.
Any homework?
No.
No assignment? No project? You sure no ramp with me now?
Me always in my homework.
But I feel I come back to Jamaica for waste no time.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going at the town, but the sun too hot. You know, I'm not used to that.
Yeah,
So,
carry me?
of course. I go carry, of course, me I carry. What you want to eat?
Burger.
Something we don't eat long time.
Shrimp.
No problem. Curry shrimp.
Good morning.
Hi, Kayla. Good morning. What's up? You alright?
Yeah.
How you feeling?
I'm feeling a little bit better.
Sit down.
There, good.
You eat it?
No, I'm not eat. Daddy gone on the road to come back. I'm taking medication.
I'm supposed to go in at the town with Onion, sir. So I go carry and get you something to eat, alright?
You sure I'm not bird meal?
No, baby girl, you're good. When I
You
drop
eat
on
shrimp?
head, drop on shoulder.
You
You'll
eat
be
shrimp?
good.
Yeah, I'm eating shrimp. I love shrimp. Okay. Mommy, we can buy it.
No problem.
So, alright.
Yeah, you go school?
No, I'm not go to school.
Why?
Come, my father not have it.
Same like where you can come tell me, say you're not getting enough to eat, or you not eat it, the same you can come and ask your lunch money.
Alright.
I don't have it like that though, you know.
You understand? Well, end.
Right. So make sure you go school, homework, assignment, your project, all of them something they know say. You make sure you do it, alright?
You do it.
Anything you don't understand, you come. You let me know how to assist you with it, alright? Cool?
Cool, yeah.
And taking your education will up your head. Regardless, make your father proud. Good?
Yes, that make him proud.
May I tell the sun cool down, go in at the town, because the sun kind of hot.
Mommy, we can more than carry umbrella. I'm hungry. I know what to see.
Go get the umbrella. I think I'm here the tourists and never know you.
Mommy, sit here.
All
So you
right.
ready?
Yeah, sure.
Come on. Mommy, sun hot bad.
Told you.
Uncle, no want something to eat.
Hey, hold on there. Serene.
Can do I go on? I'm going to the town
where
to
they
get
come
them
from?
something to eat.
So, I feel that this too.
No, not my daughter.
How down the road you now go come now?
Yeah.
Anyway, me never know say you have two daughters.
No, I know my daughter, you know.
How? How?
My daughter friend.
Your daughter friend?
Yeah. I see her up the road the other day, I'm my sister.
Yes, you
They
never help me.
You know her, Candy?
Me see her up there so up on the road.
Yeah, she's sick. She never feels so well. So you know from that. You know my style already.
So, me know you love help people and it's good when you help people. But all them are kind of somebody here. Where you help them for?
Where you call somebody?
You know
Them
her?
are people here. Me
Yeah,
see him
with
catch
me.
up on roadside up there, so me don't know if a man in go with and do him all kind of thing. He come back
I
weak
feel
like a rat.
that way.
She never feels so well, man. So I carry her to the doctor and get her some medication. Same time I meet up with her father and something, man. So she come this man. I say she go to school
So
and
she
all
a father?
that. Yes, man.
And she tell me say she not nobody.
Ask me about my mother. Never ask me about my daddy. Ask me about my
I
mama.
never ask about your
You not
daddy.
change one bit thing, no, man.
But this a girl look like he not no manners. See me up there up on the road. Which day I went. I went easy way. I today I went. All me can remember cause the amount of people me
Yeah,
work
right.
right during the week. She have rank herself with me.
Me
Eh?
never do rank myself with that. I asked her if she help me. And she said she can't help me because all those tumble down for her.
Maybe two of you bring it cross.
No, me not bring cash nowhere. Me say, can you help me please?
So what did do you?
Me is sick, bad with flu and everything.
How you do pregnant?
No, I'm pregnant and I'm 15.
And you, me, young and you they breed because you not listen when the parents say you sit down on roadside. Me don't know who for house they come out of.
Like me couldn't walk and me feel weak. I them help me.
So me they don't feel if you're lucky my friend help you. Me not help nobody, you know what?
You can't
Me
stay
with you.
so God now go help you in your life. God don't like
God always
people.
help me. See your dirty mouth there, that's
No.
why me not help you. Me go about my business.
Can you hold it down,
Serene,
man?
me see and chat to you.
Later.
Yeah, me see you. Me
All
come
right.
with that girl there.
Come. Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
You have any shrimp?
No, no shrimp.
You have curry?
No.
All right, no problem. Thank you.
You can't get the shrimp.
Like my young town or somewhere beach up or somewhere, you know?
Son too
Or
hot,
up on the fish beach or somewhere there, so.
All right, thanks.
Yeah.
Mommy,
All right.
son too hot.
What else? Yep. Change the plan, all right?
Alright.
Kind of look like we're gonna get the shrimp. We're gonna reach into the town.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna grab on something at the shop here son later.
Yeah.
And some cool down. I'm gonna get the shrimp and something and we can deal with it later for dinner, right?
Yes.
So no cool with that?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. Good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon. Why you girls want? Come second one.
No, look at that. But they, me not see none in your summer. You have look soda?
Liquor soda, yes.
Yeah. How much look soda?
Can I have 3 please?
Liquor soda.
You have any with ice?
No ice.
Okay, give me what you have. How much is it?
Soda.
100 for one.
Can I have a
Alright,
tortilla?
let me get 2 bags juice instead of liquor soda. One of the liquor soda. Which one you want?
You sure you want back juice? Alright.
Cause we make sense.
If you drink water, you know? If you drink water.
Yeah, I'm going to catch one and drink.
Thank you.
Okay.
On the tortillas.
Can I have a tortillas, please?
Pepper one.
The pepper one.
She's over there, so.
Thank you.
1, 2, 4, 30.
You have snacks up by the house, so you don't need no snacks down there, alright? You're welcome. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Do enjoy the rest of your day.
Okay, you too.
Alright, thanks.
Alright.
Come on. Yeah.
You alright now?
Yeah, alright, thanks.
You're welcome.
Do I walk up your yard?
Yes.
Mommy,
Yes,
we're going
baby.
to watch TV with me?
No problem. Your father know you then?
No, that is our work.
Okay. Alright.
We play video game. You play video game, Taylor? Your father. Daddy.
Hey. How far yard me just a come from now? Are you me go look for? Are you me just go look for?
Sure.
Where the bike pass? Where you get money bike?
I don't have money. I'm mad at her.
She came and she did other medication from morning, so I went and get her something to eat.
So, are the woman here they really find embarrassing?
I'm said that never you go. Me go.
Yeah, but me left 2 pieces of yam. You could have eaten that 2 pieces of yam with the butter. All you have to do is just boil up, turn off the stove with the water, add up the yam, and then jump in the bowl and crush out it.
Daddy, me tired. Me not feel good. Me no want that. Me skin me stomach now and keep it down.
But the stomach can keep down the fullness.
Oh boy, this year.
Eh?
Oh yeah, embarrass me now on the room. You don't see that?
Well, I
I am Serena.
I feel now. I'm Mike.
Alright, Mike. Take time with her, man. She
No.
say you go work and so forth. She never get to take the medication. Somebody just get her some. That's simple,
Never
simple
pick me up,
matter.
me have to pop out their nose. Me like 2 pieces of yam now. 2 pieces of
Every
yam.
day you want to give people yam. Me soon favor yam. Tired of yam.
And that's in the backyard of my plant. Yam, that's how we have enough yam. We can't waste it. We have to eat it.
And why you go embarrass me on the
When the
road
yam
now?
done,
But
then we can cook something else.
But if
Yeah.
you don't eat, you can sell. You make money and cook something else.
Control it, you know. Control it.
But
You know,
mommy,
lamp
I
when they come out to
true.
picnic. You see, one time me I talk about my picnic and me I grow him up good, want him grow up good.
Me not yam every day.
Stop
Every
Anisha.
day you say you gotta work. I mean, I see you come with no money. But they ever they come with like some mastic a bite up on your neck. You know, understand that. I'm sure the mastic and bite nobody make you so red. And this man in the foot of the yard they never left with that on your neck. But you come back with it on your neck. Where the money there?
I'm personal life you're going.
But you coming on my personal life, daddy. Me I come out from my business.
Alright, you see, since that you want, every minute you want to beg the lady, every minute you're finding the right thing yard, continue. Continue. Continue.
Come on.
You see, if you like her?
Of course, I like her. Kayla is a nice little girl. She just need guidance.
Only hope you can maintain her because she yam enough.
I will try my best.
We buy one big bottle of vitamin, all 5 a day she yam.
Regardless, though, you still need to keep that daughter and father relationship with her.
Everybody nothing know. If I you say me eat 5 I eat, me dey sleep comfortable in the night. So me not have to take you over.
Okay. Okay. Go on eat it. You don't see where you get.
So what I'm doing your friend them the T40. You never say
Alright,
nothing.
Kayla, don't argue with your daddy. Alright?
You have to look for me.
Alright.
Anyway.
She'll be fine,
The 2
alright?
pieces of yam when I pack me yam is still. So, that yam full of belly for the rest of the day.
Yes.
They
Bye-bye.
get hungry.
Yes, you need hungry, that's right. Eating.
You know, see me actually like shout. Warn your daughter. You see when you see me, no open up your mouth.
Open up your mouth. You can't tap your mouth and open up.
Kayla, what me just say to you? Kayla, leave your father alone.
One.
Come on, I joke him
I'm not sure
and
when
make. You
you
say I
reach
joke him and
Make
make.
sure
Come.
Excuse. You're not getting no pay yam eat.
Later, nobody pay them the mind. Later.
Alright, nice lady.
Alright, take care.
Broke pocket. Every day me have to look for you on roadside. Sure, me tired in the
Easy,
man.
daughter, man. It's up to you now.
Me come for lunch money for Monday week.
Oh.
And when me a go nurse for you live, me can't bother with the roadside business.
No worries, man. You soon can make me know where I live, man. I want to go actually you can buy one burger on Friday.
Alright, thanks.
Alright, go on. Hurry up and go on. Run, go on. I want to be upset.
How would that?
Let me know what that.
I wish little girl that let me see you just hand money give. And you not give me no money. How happen? You not give me no money for your little girl. Figure school. But you're there to give little girl money.
I get a money for give somebody a while ago.
You dey give little girls money pan road?
So you mean by that?
Me mean a little girl money pan road.
Money for give girl a while ago for gas.
Are they there with the little girl?
Jesus Christ. I'm not going to wait them, man. Oh God. That to me, man.
I don't understand you. Because you now mind your daughter. Me can't tell when last you work and have $1 for give me. But me can't see the hand money.
I work right now. See, I was there at the time. So I can get off the road. Anyway, just want to give more money, man, for give girl, man, for go school for Monday in a week. But I don't know go on still. So I want to do it. I want to go. What's that? I will make
How is this? Jabon. Wake up, sun hot from man, you lie down in a bed. Eh?
So your breakfast ready now?
What you mean if breakfast ready now? You know easy, which breakfast? You give me money to look for breakfast?
Morning light, man.
Go back, go take the money from the girl where you give money and find something for them. Me for give breakfast. Eh? Why me should I give breakfast? You Brighty? Every minute you want something for them. You know what, my daughter?
I'm sorry.
One on this one. Me soon talk to you here.
Yes, mommy.
Watch ya. I so quick you drop back asleep. You're big, lazy and dumb. And walk less as smoke and walk and give girl money out the road and then I contaminate me for money. For money and food every time. Let me tell you the same thing. Me send out my daughter out there so because I'm tired to talk to you. In front of my daughter. I don't want my daughter having a head. They say, oh, every minute. And so we live. You understand? But don't worry yourself. Me soon get rid of you. Me soon get rid of you. Me tired to argue with you. Yes. Me tired to argue with you in front of my daughter. Me tired of it now. Me come go road. You're big and dirty and crave now. You give me money to look for no food. You're brighty. Come fix your clothes here. Me have one little change in my brassiere. Yes, you go gear it and you take it and me hide it on you.
Yes, mommy.
So guess what? You see? This money I want to give you.
Yes,
Don't
mommy.
make your father see it. Big and worthless and dumb. Me sorry for the argue with your father in front of you, my daughter. Me no want you grow them kind of way, there, but you see the little dirty nasty man when we pick up in there, so?
Yes, mommy.
A pressurizer, a brain crusher, and if you no mind chopping mad me, but me nah your mouth and no garbage from the blood of Jesus against it, that you want me for the big old long tone boy like that, want me if you mind him, and they take money when you give you figure at school, go give girl a road, so they come after for breakfast. Bright, you see the sardine and the bread when me let give you?
Yes, mommy.
Full your belly and cock up, and when you see me pass belch, bell, don't even say sorry.
Yes, mommy.
Later, me I go on the road.
Yes, mommy.
Man, so
Daddy.
much rough. I'm just my daughter.
You're hungry for too?
I'm the most hungry my daughter. Say, mother did me away.
Mommy
So
did.
last night, you know, cook me, you know.
Mommy did left sardine and bread for me around this, so you want some?
You mean, man? I'm gonna go feed right now. I'll come let me go drop down on this
In the road like kitchen.
Alright.
Me I go on the road, go take a walk.
How you gonna do on the road?
Me bored, me go take a walk.
Alright, don't take long, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, go and do it, Alright.
Alright.
Hello? Yeah. No problem. I'm gonna call you, innit? Sure. No, I soon finish up with all of that. Sure. Yes, just taking it easy. Thank you, no problem. All right, do enjoy the rest of your day, all right? Thanks, same to you. Bye-bye.
Mommy. Like where you go on the road, me can go down to auntie.
Sure.
Okay.
Make sure
Time
I come
you
back
come
here at the
back.
same place. I am not sure, because business in Jamaica is not like overseas. We go by time. But in
Okay.
Jamaica, no. So I don't know how long it's going to take. But as soon as I come back, I will just come down there and get you, all right?
Yeah.
Make sure you carry some money and grab something to eat, all right?
But me no money.
Just get some money in the house, all right?
Alright.
Cool.
Syrian, good evening.
Hi, Kayla. What's up?
No, I'm there. I go on the road.
Yeah, you know, say from the other day, but they don't say, I don't like how you talk to your father, you know, why you fix that look at attitude, something there, right, baby girl?
Alright, so I got
Same with
change it.
Auntie Candy, cool? Miss Candy down the road? All right.
Alright. I better say me want like a big person in your life.
Don't say that. Don't use that word, no. What is it? What's the problem?
Me need to want come and beg every day, no, but actually, Miss monthly cycle I come up, and my father don't have no money can buy.
It's okay. I do not have any Jamaican money right now, but I'm going to give you what I have. Once you go in the town, you can get it changed, all right?
Alright, thanks. So that's how did it?
No, she's going up by my sister until I come back because I'm running on the road, all right? So take care of yourself,
Yeah.
all right, baby girl?
Bye-bye.
Cool.
What going to?
What's up, Candy?
Where you go?
May I run go on the road and come up? May I go?
It's alright. Look at mommy check here.
All right, cool. Take care.
Little girl. You feel say you're Serena friend? Eh?
So what me not there nothing?
Come here so come turn up. Me no size, nobody come. Me no there nothing. You do me something.
Mommy there.
You do me something because you try to take away my friend and my friend.
Me not try to take away your friend.
So wait, where you come out yard for?
Ask her for money to buy pad.
Me see for a long time so she give you money. Give me it. Give me money. How much money she give you?
$1,500.
$1,500, 100 US. You look on your dirty foot them. Look on you. You look like a somebody deserve 100 US. Look on you too. But $1,500, you're not even know if you pay $15,000. You're bigger fool. What you take this to do with it?
You buy pad.
Buy which pad? But looking at Aki tree them and pick out the Aki them and get a pad.
You know, say me never do nothing in a life. You ever treat me, but I not do nothing bad in a life.
You not deserve to get Syrian money and my friend. Go from here, so. Look on you too. But you come and take money from my friend. I feel your friend or I feel my friend. More from your son, go little girl. Go on which part you did I go?
Give me your money back.
Go on where you go.
Me go put it pat.
You want it? You want back your money? Come take it. Go about your business.
Can't bother, you know.
You not done watch them there yet?
No, mommy.
Why?
I'm tired.
Make you lazy so.
I'm not lazy.
You know,
mommy.
say I know me get them lazy in this day after. I know me get here for your papa. Anyway, get up off my seat and wash out my slippers. You hungry?
Yeah.
I give you one money. There.
Yes, mommy.
I know make your father see it.
Yes, mommy.
Let me say.
They make my father see.
I know spend half it. You can yam one burger or KFC out of it and use the rest and go to school. You see how much money this? Look funny good.
$100
100 what?
US.
Okay, how much Jamaican this?
15,000.
Okay. You can buy burger or KFC. No name half it. Left some for you go to school here?
Yes, mommy.
Okay. Go and pick up your yard. Me I go inside.
Yes, mommy.
Must go in there so.
What, my girl?
What you want?
There, where you daughter? Oh, you wait. Oh, you left yard? Cause to your mother deal with you, and I always told me say walk. Oh, you left yard?
Oh, you left yard.
Me tell my mother say I don't have my auntie me go and she gone.
Oh. And my mother just give me the money, so I figure buy something.
Oh. So me can get some where you buy.
Yeah, of course.
Alright.
Come on. Girl, good.
What going, Kayla?
You good?
Yeah.
What you? You didn't know she?
Yeah, my friend.
We get money from my swing. Who get 100 out of it? My mother
Ask
just
your
give
mother.
me. Your mother give me. And me and mother thief.
Kayla, what you do?
Me
You can't take the girl money like that.
No.
You cannot do that.
You don't gonna go tell her mama.
Come.
Make yourself go tell her mother.
Move. Give me your money. You
No.
can't do that, Kayla.
Come
I'm a
aside.
friend. I'm a friend.
Step aside. You know when we go up at the yard and your mother give me money, you know. And her mother take the money from me, so me I take it back for you. And you want to go tell her ma. Go tell her ma, say me lick you. Go tell her ma. Go tell her ma. Go tell your ma.
So you can't beat
Tell
my
her to come
friend.
jape me now. Tell your mama to come jape me. Maybe upon her right or so. What you say?
But you can't do that. I'm
tell
my
me,
friend
mother,
and you're
what?
my friend. It was not my friend.
Mother,
so you thief for money.
Try look her and bust her red head.
I'm
What you
a
say?
friend, girl. You should do that.
I don't care. Her mother take money, me take back your money.
So, no, my mother give money. So, all for your mother manage thief it from your girl.
They come and say to me, I'm not person weapon I come back. I'm not make fear mad woman lick me in my face. You think me idiot?
Me gone behind she.
What you say?
She said she beat your daughter.
Beat my daughter?
Yeah.
You're
and
mad.
She said she turn up down this house.
Hold on there. I saw me grow you.
No, mommy.
As a great man, bust your ass. Little girl, let me get up. When me give you the money for do?
We go buy something with you.
And?
I care about Kayla's figure school.
So where they? Give me it.
Mommy, Kayla beat me up and take it
Look how
from
you,
me.
look. Me from me say you're idiot, you know. Look how you dress and go up on the road. Hold up your hand.
She said
Turn
I'm
round.
thief it from her.
You notice me silent? I mean, not say nothing about it. You will hear about it. You will hear. I mean, I have to create the excitement right there, so. Which party little witch there?
I mean, she gone up there, so she said she gone her
A matter of
yard.
fact, how me left you out there so to pick up the yard? And you take time and squeeze it out of the yard and share the money.
Oh, wow.
And no, say you don't have no sense. You see, you feel have sense. You feel have sense. You feel have sense.
So she not tell me say you give her money if you go buy something to eat.
Yes. Me tell her say she can buy burger or KFC, but not done the money. Use the rest to go to school. She go make. Alright, come.
Yeah, come through. Oh, when your mother take up boat for girls. Getting sticky. Come on.
How far she there?
She did that. Down that so in that deli and then down that so. you gonna do with the board?
Ask me nothing, you will see. Where she there? Where your camera go? Little girl. Sure.
The girl gone. She gone. Alright, that's all. Right, I get this one in the day. Right,
Come out,
that's
I
all.
son.
So where we are come over here, so far?
Come here. Me forgot your name. Where you say your name again?
Onicia.
Onicia.
Mm-hmm.
Me look like idiot to you?
Mm-mm.
Are you make up and take away the money from my daughter and then she afraid that you fi tell me say, are you? Are you con?
I mean, take away money from you?
No, mommy, I know.
If me do you want to take your money,
Akela take your money?
Akela.
So which part she there? You know make me
She
walk
did that
fast.
down there, so.
Over 3
Down
miles me
there,
they
so.
walk. I know me can't reach. Eh?
You know, say
Where she
girl
there?
afraid of you. She not gonna turn up there, so. If she did bad, she a turn up and
She
wait.
see me around
pan
gone.
you. Cause the girl tell me say she a turn up and wait pan you and she gone. After she know bad.
Don't worry yourself about it. You can run, but you can't hide. Me know say a spot, she must spot me. And run go and hide, but me not go no further, you know, me must buck her one of the day. Oi, come here. Turn up right there, so. Come on, turn around, so. Turn around. Oi. You idiot or you a fool? You know no sense?
Yes, mommy.
Eh?
Yes, mommy.
Cause me now make Kayla beat me and take away my money.
Turn around. Turn around your backside. Turn around. Your feet said. Your feet, your little body are
I
shake.
saw you deal with your daughter.
That I should have power I don't little ladder. You're too out
Deal
harder.
with her, so man. Give
Oi,
me this.
get over. Where you come here? How are you, little girl? You feel me on your size? You think that you me and your mama are friend? You can contact me anyhow. Me fish it up. Me see you no manners. But me tell you something, your mama bad mind me.
Oh, my mother bad man.
Your mama bad mind me. She come from foreign and France. She come not even cent she no give me. She no give me $1 and she know me from when before you even exist, little girl of manners. You're bright.
How are this?
Tell your mama
Wait.
say me say she bad mind because she come from foreign and go give Kayla all $100 and no give me none. That's why me take it from her.
Are you bad man, my mother? Because if she never come from foreign, you would see her. And just because she come down here with money in the field, say she rich. And not everybody who got foreign rich. She not have no money.
If me did bad mind, your mama house but wouldn't dead, me take him from him.
You can't take away because you not have a shape like my mother.
Let me tell you something. Shape. I mean, I talk to. Yeah, idiot. Me not go there so with you because me ain't no size. So me not go down in them the details there with
We
you.
tell me go up
Hello.
with my mother.
Tell your mama because she can't do me nothing.
You grudge Kayla. Because Kayla get money from my mother.
Look on you too.
You not get none.
Your ma come from Friday, your foot then dry now and not even lotion and have. Me I talk to girl.
Hello, me have lotion. I don't have me auntie me I go and he not did it. My mother give me 500 for girl and she not did it. And me spend it because she not get it back.
Look here. Sod. Go on where you go.
What?
Go on.
Me not move.
Go on.
Me not sod.
Sod. I try no want God sin me and me no want me your mama have no.
Beat me.
Make me no boss you.
Beat me. If me would take you, I'll lick your back. If me would take you, lick your back. See your pitney, you'd have to beat me today because you can't fight. And that's why Kayla take me. And me and her go spend it. And by things you not get none, I beg you lose.
Me lose.
You lose.
Look where your ma come from foreign and not even one good judge she no cafe. You know see I did there in the par. You come here.
Not because they did for. I beg you get beat up. Kayla shall beat you again.
I'll show you something. You feel have sense. You have sense. You feel have sense. You feel have sense. You feel have sense. You idiot. You idiot. Eh? You idiot. Let me tell you something. You see that little girl there? Not because me know her mama, you can't ask me if you can friend her. Eh? You can't ask me if you can friend her. Remember, say me tell you say your name. If you chat to nobody on the road, no see all when you see, no see.
Yes,
and he that keep it his mouth door.
keep it easy, mommy.
And friend door, nobody say it, but God, you feel sense. God, you little idiot. All you watching me, are you?
Tired.
What going on, my daughter?
Tired. When I know if I'm in the they are water, so. You love road, so.
You know I go already, man.
When me I go know where you live?
Soon I live, man. Soon right now I'll go place me I can't put here, man.
I come from money. So what?
When they are going easy, I pull out time kind of hot, you know.
See, alright.
You know me there see him way though. Can't go on now, you know, go on. Go
Why
on.
you tell me for go on?
Girl, go on, girl. So I'm going out Candy. I'm going with my daughter.
There.
So where not come from?
How that concern you? Talk about the money when me say they give the woman again. The same girl. The same little dirty foot girl. When me catch her already, they give money and you say somebody give you, forgive her. And somebody give again,
Yeah.
forgive her again.
Yeah. So what we do? Yes, I'm still on somebody that passed, so I must in a hurry, so I must give them daughter the money. So I give them it. I go to this.
So it look like you get paid to take money from people to go give other people.
No, I don't say so. Virgin mom, even a situation like that. Yeah, it's a hard man. It's a hard. It's a hard girl and the little house money. You know.
You know me know this video? It's full of lie.
Full of lie.
You act like I said you don't have no money to give me, to give your daughter. Send her to school and give her something to eat and buy clothes, but you can give other woman a road. Me take me 2 years when you give girl money little while. You never see me daughter?
Yes, mommy.
You know see?
Yes, mommy.
Okay.
I mean, not give no money. Me give her
The time you sit down on roadside, Jabon, the time you sit down on roadside, I look them girl where they pass by and I give them a little change where you have.
No, look, no.
Me not even know where you get it.
That they can do.
What?
Look. You may hear that?
Me how you there? When?
Me breathe and give good daughter here, so.
I feel opinion now, are you breathe me? And nobody
I'm
jacket
really
again?
sure, but
You
you know.
alright. Anyway, let me tell you something. The time when you sit down here, so, on roadside every day, they wait to see woman they pass to give them money. You go look work.
I work on
Go look work.
Cause
And know how to take care of your picnic. You're there so well off. You notice how me talk to you easy? I know you're in no rush.
But man, tell you right now, more do a
You
DNA
need
test
to
for now
start
right now.
take care of your daughter. I don't want to hear nothing from you because right
I
now,
do a DNA test call.
DNA, I don't talk about every day debate on DNA. See the girl see your
Even
daughter
favor
on road
me.
and bust her ass
She
while and
even
take away her
favor
money.
me.
What?
She got nothing to me up for now.
Let me ask you something. Every time you're there pan, I just told me not say nothing to you already, you know. But the same thing where I repeat back yourself about if me not say she not favor you. Kids have to come favor them, Papa.
You mean?
Kids have to have the complexion of them, Papa.
I mean?
How about cast this now? So,
My genes strong, you know.
so okay.
You know,
let me ask you one thing.
my genes strong in favor me. I put one of them to
Your genes strong. A weak.
me.
Yeah. Because
Yeah,
you don't know the type of sperm count you have. That's why you feel so insecure. You don't know if you breed rat, pussy, cat, or dog, or the breeze. You have a right to feel insecure all the day of your life.
Where
But the girl where they give money every day, I hope you breed her and give her one penny where you go show her.
Yeah,
every time you depend me, you tell me about you know she not favor me, you know she not favor me. So what? Me is not God, and I know me make her in that they farm there. Our God doing work, and you tell me say true she not favor you. You're not sure say you favor. Just get up and go and go look.
Nothing you not get.
If you know, glad say she not favor you. Because you would be father Jabone and she would be daughter Jabone, and then a Makara school and call her daughter Jabone.
No money, you not get no my kid, man.
You know, you two workless, me go let
So
you.
you say we not cook no food?
Cook with food again? You come back with food argument again?
Well, you not cook give me.
No, let me ask you one question. I want to go about my business and you let me know. Jabone, like seriously, you not give me money. When you get money from to cook?
You know,
Oh, me fi go up on the bridge. Go sell what me no have.
Yeah,
Now go work. Come on, my daughter. Any money when me have ads from today is for me and my daughter. You X out of type. Look like I'm an idiot. I cook and I give you, provide for you, sitting where you never provide. No, go on now. Me tired of you, man.
everything good, man. Don't worry, man. I'm early morning. Doctor office.
Yes, so what's up?
What?
Alright.
Mommy? Yeah, me know I just want. Me have to take a smile off of my face.
Where your auntie?
No, me not too good on my auntie. Me good, yeah, me good on the but you know, did it?
What happened?
So, go on the road, mommy. So, me buck up on my friend, Candy daughter. Mommy, me and the girl is talking, you know. You give Kayla $100 US.
Yes, I did.
Yeah, mommy, me good on there, me buck up on Candy daughter. And she a flash $100 now, and she see her mother say she will buy something to eat. So me say, alright, you buy me something come. I already have my money and I spend it off, right?
Right.
So me I say, Missy Kayla come. I say, hey girl, where you get that money there from? So she say, I'm a mother, just give me. Kayla, just say, give me money. So me I say, Kayla, you can't do that. Then she explained to me, say, the money where you get when you see candy out, so where you go or something like that,
Right.
she take you away from her. So me I say, huh?
Slow down. Who take away which money?
Candy take away Kayla $100 US, so you
You
give
have
her.
to be lying. Why can't you do such a thing?
Because, oh yeah, you wanna know why she doing? No, she said the reason why she take you away is because you bad mind her.
Me, Batman.
Yeah, she said bad mind her.
Who said that?
Candy.
Just like that?
Yeah, because she said you not give her no money and you always a give Kayla things.
Stop. Me and Candy is not like that. So you see, tomorrow I'm going to make sure me and you go down by Candy.
Alright, me say the woman there picking someone lick cause Kayla take with the money. The woman draw board, you know what I mean? And couldn't let look at Kayla, but Kayla gone cause Kayla no bad. So the woman did it. Me have to face deal with her cause she did go on too bright.
Candy?
Yes, me face deal
Oh,
with
that's
her.
serious.
She say you're bad mind, alright? And she say, since you come from foreign, a Kayla alone, you not give money. And you not give her none. She say, you bad mind her. So I say, you can't say that, oh mother, you bad mind my mother just because you not get no money.
Okay. Don't worry yourself. We deal with Candy, alright?
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
You have to get a piece of my mind. The woman, I say, mommy, when me start get too bad now, you know, the woman I run me down my piece of tea, come me run, you know, mommy. Come on, put it up and me click me, cause if you lick me, I go draw out this piece of tea, come me that lick her back. Mommy, me not no credit.
Alright, I will make sure my call Candy. Tomorrow me I go down there as a matter of fact.
Yeah, it's what we are good on there, come in, no, say me not tell no lie.
Alright, don't worry yourself.
And the worst part I to beat her pick me with a board.
Two sides to a
Not even
story.
laugh.
Me to go down by Candy tomorrow.
Yeah?
The day is already finished, so I just wait until tomorrow. I'm not think I have a call or I just go down there tomorrow.
Yeah.
Girl, where you from? You know from man, you come back and see you.
I'm going on a mission.
Go for which mission?
Look for my friend them. Serena and her daughter.
Go beg again, food again.
Me must send her the money. To buy me no pan, you know. And the last time I pay my period, you give me banana leaf. I mean, know that.
Yes, me tell you, say, use the banana leaf with the tissue. When I use them two there, it won't leak for the road. You just put it on their jars and you hold it.
No, she give me money to go buy. They can buy one leaf.
How much is it?
15,000.
Let me look for it.
You think me know me not feel so comfortable for your money? You know me go through to get back the money. You don't want to know, so the woman, when you Candy. Candy bright, no wrong, huh?
What do?
The woman must see when Serena give me the money. So, see me with the money, right? Hear him, hear him. Give me this!
Yes!
Candy!
Yes! Give me this. Yeah, man. Give me, let me look for it. Come, let me look for it. Don't worry. We try to go bank, come on.
You know me want the money so tight.
So you idiot. You can't put too much money in my hand and expect me to let it go loose. Me no candy. Me no candy. Whosoever she name.
I'm just lick her daughter in her head and her friend and say, give me my money. But me see her daughter. I said, she take my money. Me see her daughter with money. I'm just go so boom, boom, and take back my money.
So you little people them pick me.
Oh yeah, me somebody not take my money.
I mean I no money to take nobody got that.
Candy beat me, when Candy beat me, where did they?
Anyway, me buy stay for you. Not trust it down a shop, but you see this? It's a for me.
And if you want the money, you not pay back him?
Huh?
Me not pay you back.
For?
Are you not charge me? Me never say all the money so tight, daddy.
I don't business what you want to say. No. Check time one.
Boy,
One up.
you want my money, daddy.
You walk and beg. You soon beg when enough to beg. One up.
I bought me soon, but beg me.
I will rock you. I will rock you. You're bright.
Morning, Candy.
Morning.
Are you my come to? Yesterday my daughter tell me something will go down with you and Kayla. She and I said my bad man and all of that. But I don't jump to conclusion. I come for ask you what really go down, what happened.
Serene. It's a Serena and Siri the answer like into enough. Look here. I'm glad say you come to me. I see whatever she tell you, yes me say it. You know why me say it?
No, you'd have to tell me that.
Because me can't believe that me and you are friends for such a long time, much years before you even get pregnant and have that little girl there. And all of a sudden, you come from foreign and carry down how much of this and how much of that, and you not even care one soap for me, and you just a stranger on the road. We don't know from Adams, and you take out money they give them. Why you give them my money? I want
What I really like to know, all the word bad mind, Japan. Bad mind.
the two bad man.
So
So
not
I-
giving you my hard-earned money that I in the cool, all of that.
So a new friend you find.
No, she's just a child. Kayla is just a child. Oh, you has no right to go and take away the money that I give to Kayla. Why you never just come and say, Serene, that's a that. Why?
No why none of this. Me and your friend, the money where you give her I did mine, you should have given me. Why you give it to her? You're not no friend, you don't know her from nowhere. Well, alright, let me say it that way here. You did to give me money first before anybody else. You're not supposed to go take me money where you carry down to come give me and go on like you forgot about me and go give she. Who she? Yes, you take it for now.
Me never know I saw you did stay.
So me time, you know now. First time I know I know one, people change.
So this is it.
Well, if you want to say I hit a so, but if you want me and you be friends, and you go every minute constantly they give people a road money and they act like I say, not even one soap. You not even one Irish for no God man. Not even one little dove. You
Did
couldn't
I
care for me.
told you what I came here to deal with? And what was your answer?
Anything what you tell me, you know, that come out of my brain, because when you want money, me get hungry, and you cannot give people money and not give me none. Me a friend, you know, girl.
Yes, but this is not the way you go about doing things.
So how many figure about it now?
You
Talk it
come
to God
to me,
too now.
you can't do
You
the
they
girl
come from-
and take for the money when I give you.
Really? You they come from down
I
the
tell
road
her to
and...
go pick Aki pad and put on that pad down for pad. Me not like that, man.
What? We are talking about a keep pad and one person.
Yes, that's what they told
So you
me.
don't know say when you pick out the hat, a paddy come out. I saw them calling, when me not say nothing wrong.
I give her the money for go and get herself some sanitary woman thing and all of that.
So what you trying to say?
You will get yours in due time. You're not fair, behave like
Serene,
this.
I
Come
prefer
on,
you prefer
man.
people more than me. Everything
No,
good, you know what?
no, Candy, no.
No, everything good, man. It's alright. Me know so when you see me, you say what you want to say for me, you feel good. But when you see the girl and I check out money and give her
She's
so,
just a child.
you know how much time she tell me say you give her money? You know what, Serene, better you come out of me than go on.
Calm down, but
I saw me I take it right now. You better you come out of me yard. You know nothing
alright.
to give me, you find new friend. Everything good, man. Go on out of me yard and leave me alone.
Hey.
Better you just go on out of me yard. A new friend you find. Everything good, man. Go and go give them it. I'm going. Where you do yourself? Where you come there suffer? What make you come stand up here so? Why you cause all of this between me and my friend? And my friend that feel life when me have before me even go breathe and get your friend that dirty thinking broke pocket man there. Go on in! Idiot. Watch you. And you cause everything. Me tell you if you turn in the yard, you come out and show off you want to go show off with 100 US. A damn guinea pig. You. Not even bother going.
Don't make a whole of 5 here. Make no one nice. No one come. Boy, I tell me say everything. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Give me that, man. Tell you to wake me up.
Oi.
Are you? What
You
going?
sleep too much. You sleep too much.
Tired now, so.
Me I come go out on the road right here now. Make sure you stay on the tidy up the place. Especially you when I do nothing on time. You just a nyam, sleep and drink and smoke and pay foolishness. You fi tidy up the place once of all. Me not say you can't do nothing, you know. But I him fi do most I work. And lazy. You know some lazy man?
Yes, mom.
Hope this and don't care. Anyway, me I go out on the road here now. Later.
Just go and say, hey, my daughter, man, let's see.
Mommy say you fi do it.
Do what you say,
Cause me
man.
always a do it. Nah, do nothing.
Right thing, man. Just see what the place
You go see. You wait until him come back.
I work with him, man.
Mm.
I come home with this girl here now. That I'm go up and read my daughter. So I'm gonna
Alright.
come. So I'm gonna look work here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
Ariana.
How that?
Me. Hold on.
There.
So me can I go for a morning, so.
No, uncle, mommy left me in there. So she gone on the road.
You want to go on the road with me?
Yes.
Alright, come on. I go up and come back before she come back, do you know?
Yeah.
You see? Well, all me have to teach yourself to do the right thing. Sometimes you don't want to do the right thing. Oh, I see a nice lady here. I see me didn't want to see from what you know.
You
Come,
want to see her?
shut your mouth. You shut your mouth. What go on?
Hi, what's up?
You
What's
good?
going with?
Yeah, see, me come, you know, from what I want to see if you tell her. Me like to check my daughter good. She put on weight. The last time she did weight 80 pounds, now she did at 140. So me say she a eat now.
Sure.
She a eat good food.
Alright.
Where you look for me so serious? My miss level that nose, you know. Anyway, it's like how you treat her so good and me always look a good woman. When I mind you, keep her for me and grow her as a daughter.
Okay.
And no worry. Even when I have the money now, we will tip in a little time and pay up.
How was our mommy doing? Our mommy?
Well, I don't want to talk about it still, you know, but her mommy passed off when she born. If it's to her
My
head,
condolences.
big.
So big.
About that.
How much she ears cock off and put in a two?
Tell her more.
No, for a serious level too.
Stop.
When her mother died at childbirth.
Oh.
Yeah, so I think in her future I'm gonna want to marry her, you know.
My head that big?
Take her as my wife, cause she
Yes, my mother.
right. So I'm gonna take her as my wife. You again?
Candy, what's up?
So Ashini and Candy. So Ashini take away $100 for her. You afraid of her? Where you hide for? You afraid of her?
And it turn up and me and your daughter.
So why you afraid of her?
Look
What?
for her.
Kayla, what happened?
You sit there, you give me the $100 and they take it from me.
So you want to thief my friend?
Me not give nobody.
Girl, where you know my friend from?
Candy, calm
Oi.
down. Remember, she's just a child.
Listen to me. I'm my daughter. And I'm my wife to be.
Who?
Yeah. I'm married her because she
You
take care of my
me
daughter.
not hear what you say. Because I don't hear it already from me and come out with some boy you have tried to propose to me. And somebody I look for you.
What's that?
You hear say she come down from foreign, you do much money, so you want she come mind you and your little broke pocket daughter.
You beg any
We
money?
walk and beg and I take with my money them and me sitting them with my friend cafe me. And I me forget them. All the soap when she buy if you wash my crutches, she give your daughter. And she give you it. She give your daughter and she give you it and you take it and give your dirty
Candy,
girl out the
calm
road.
down. Calm down.
Go marry the
Candy.
dirty food girl.
Calm
Dirty boy,
down,
remember say that
Candy,
you did that
calm
look me, you know?
Yeah.
I know you want
No,
my friend.
I was looking her, right? But me never noticed her friend. I tell her that I want somebody to take care of my daughter while I'm working. She cost me the most horrible way. Tell me about me pa, me ma. You see it?
Can't-
Pit pa me too.
Candy, calm down.
Pit pa me. For what? For
No,
what?
this is not you.
Oh,
You afraid of her?
back soon. You
Don't
must be
afraid
mad.
of her.
So, you say you want me to marry you?
Where you want my friend to do with her? Where you go
You
do
can
with
deal
her?
with this
I
more,
swear to God,
much
you
better.
How
How are you?
Money.
Girl, go on
I
and
want
have
she
a
and
friend,
Candy.
so. And come out a big people story.
And so forth. Stop, no?
I want
I
to.
deal with Candy the other day. Stop. Go over there, so go wait for
That's
me.
why $100 get
Stop.
thief. You broke.
Candy, no pay them no mind. Me not talk about this already, man.
Sure, say I know sort that little girl in the hospital. Look how your ear nice and long.
See, that is the girl me I tell about me. Clap her.
I see a clap.
Yeah.
Which girl?
2 hours take him.
Hello. Where you do with yourself? She me not tell us if stay in the yard and leave bad company alone.
I mean, call
This
her
little
up.
girl. Hey girl, you know no man as you know. You see, since your mama have you must start mean to me. And you make your mama mean to me.
Nothing.
And you make you come like a chicken with fast in a make you
Candy
girl.
no
I will cuss out you. Look here. I will mean your man friend. Me no nothing with you. And you make your mother mean to me.
So why?
Before your mama breed and get you. You only come maga foot, dry head, girl. You're greedy, no way. You're full of worm. I go and tell your mama, you see. One next time when me see her, she buy a lamp pile for you. Me no like your little girl because you come back now your mama start mean to me. Yes.
Hello. Come on,
talk to me.
Come on,
Tell me say about your little.
I don't bad mind. If you have to come on, go look walk.
Go look on this little piece of tail girl.
You know, I want to pay
Look
attention
after
to.
you.
No worry yourself about her. Me soon deal with she. And you make your mama start mean to me from your band. Little girl, me have you up. Me have you up because your mama was so kind to me before you come exist on earth. You mean that you tell your mama you know them the kind of mean style.
That's why you feel take good education. Yeah, look here, you see? That's why you know if you take up no friendly man. You see what she have to do?
All you little dirty boy, you think I told my friend did
I'm here, cuz.
Yes, John Crow.
I'm here, cuz. Come here, sir.
Daddy, no.
Wait, come here,
Daddy,
sir.
no.
I'm here chatting.
Oi, I chew because my friend did there, so I want disgrace you.
Listen me.
Remember, see your teeth off me jaws off a line. And go give the next woman down too. When you did a lucky woman, but you give him for Valentine's Day, boy, me will trace off your jaws off of you. And my friend, I want to turn in an idiot.
He just big. He just have a long time. Come.
I better.
Oh, hey, am I blood that? Am I blood that?
You look like you're anemic. You look like you have low blood.
I want thing with you.
You don't have no blood.
You see you?
What?
You not go reach far so you gala. You
Blood
can't
of
cut.
Jesus against your stupid tongue. I shall reach farther than you in real life. I lie.
Hey,
You want
be
to
yourself.
pick me there. You see that?
Hey, look girl. Man, me clap off head off everybody.
Clap off over head. I lie you they tell.
Who is that?
Papa, remember say you did a look me and one night you carry me go to the beach in a one hotel and the way your foot sting me have to come out of the room. Move from your stuff, boy. You're not get me friend. Move. You're not get me friend and you're not get me neither. You see a little pouring data where you have a walk on road and a big man. Other day me yesterday and drive me in a bush. Yes, you want come broke out my friend data now.
Wait till I come up.
You dey try to friend my friend and they act like you want my friend. I think me no know say a dirty jigger look me juke out your eye. You not get me friend cause every money when my friend have for me and her, she no figure no man and she no figure you that.
You tell her to me share her money?
So,
tell her to share her money?
And my friend I want come in her life. A relation shit you they look I could never ship with my friend. You're an idiot.
So hold on.
If she did want you, she'd have take a long time. Me no want you.
If your name they cause a friend, should have take you up long time and mind you.
I'm going for me and my friend's story cause right now, any you put your hand on my friend, me and I go bust up your face.
Engagement. No worry.
Go engage you.
Come back here tomorrow, I'm sure.
Engage you. Go engage
Come back here
your
tomorrow.
grandma.
You see hungry there. Hungry I kill it.
Yes, and that's why you little thief in data. Come thief for your $100 where she have the other day.
Where?
And my friend money have for me. You can't talk to me and me give me data it. Where she take it for?
Oh yeah,
Where
friend money
where
because
she
for
take
you.
it for? You think say me no know, you know, lag me and look for your little dirty boy. Your health.
I'm here look. I'm here look. I'm here look. Fine. Ocha, I'm glad to see you.
Hi, what's up?
There are good news and bad news. Which one rather?
The bad news first.
The bad news?
Right.
Ocha, I can't tell it. Watch her. See me come here. The man in data. Feisty. I'm feisty. No, I'm still going to tell her. No matter me. They're not business with them if they want to come interrupt or what. Watch him turn up. I see that. And where you look for me for? Eh? You used to diss me. Remember the days when they diss me. But it's alright, yeah? It's alright. You over now. You know bother me. But the bad news though.
Yes.
I have to go left my daughter with them because me now there. We get a piece of contract. I'm here.
That's nice.
Take a trip.
You mind I'm asking where you going? Exactly.
Oh, me I go deal with some work, but then send
Daddy.
me. Huh?
Mommy.
What's up?
Here what happen? I'm glad you come in time. Me I go leave you with her if you stay. Cause me say she take care of you good.
For two?
And because me I go fly out.
Do you fly pan?
When me I fly pan, broom. Broom, come on, no, you can't
They
get
have
this.
magic.
Yeah, witch.
I pity them. But anyway, look. Me, the owner give me part of the money. To show me say real, so.
Wow.
When I have manners, when I have manners.
Yeah, look.
Stop.
I have manners,
And
man.
when I look.
No, you stop.
Alright, this 100 and hold it more you did where it come from. So,
Okay.
cause it's a long period of time I go from. I go for 10 years.
And why you looking at my father bag? Why you stop yourself?
Kayla.
So
We
you,
just don't like
Hold.
candy.
so you're gonna stay with her as of today. Why you behave yourself?
No, you say, but I'm be myself daddy. Hurry up and
When
go.
me get my citizen over there, me send for you.
Send for me.
I'm gonna send money so you and your friend can go anywhere you want to go.
Okay.
So no, if you're no man.
No,
I'm
Daddy, you can't tell me that, Daddy.
Remember, so we're married too, so I'm gonna carry up.
Okay, let's stop. All right, I do appreciate it. I wish you all the best. Safe travel.
Uh-huh.
Travel,
You see,
and keep in touch, all right?
you used to judge me, say me a dirty foot. But
Daddy, your
look for
foot
me
still
now.
dirty. There's not a difference. Your foot still dirty.
Kayla.
If you correct my father. Because
Yes,
he must
but
say
stop.
used to be dirty foot and your foot still dirty.
No, she used to call me dirty foot.
Oh, what should I call her now?
Huh?
What should I call her now?
Still dirty foot.
Okay.
So why you
So what's wrong with
Why you
that?
say that makes sense? And left it alone.
So, if we had take me up, you would have a bag of money to take care of my youth.
I remember so the time I did sick and feel bad, she walked past me on the road.
Okay, yes, and that is another thing that's why I did stop look you. Because she
Yeah.
tell me about that. So your pass her, your cuss her, tell her the most weird. And this lady nice enough to help her.
Come here.
Huh?
No, you're here. Stay over this. What I tell you go on with?
With her?
Oh, you fit give me friend so much money and you know me long time before she.
No, listen. You call me dirty foot. You call me chancro. You call me shit enough.
A joke me did I make.
No, anything you say, the file is too late. It's too late now, man. All you have to do, I just, when I see any man with their foot dirty, you know, shame them again.
Look here. Me and your friend long time. I mean, know you like me. I know say you did I go come to something good in your life, you know.
I'm going to share to me a good heart.
So why you never make me stay with your daughter and give me the money?
No, I'm going to share to me, no. I'm share to me a good heart. Brownie, come here. I'm going to share to me a good heart. I don't stay like a you know. You used to buy some Irish Spring soap so you don't have no grudge against Browning anymore. I'm a fiance. Buy some Irish Spring soap. Buy that one with some J's. You mouth to wash out.
Daddy,
Huh?
and some manners.
Yeah. And buy some manners. I'm gonna take care. May I go back?
and by some respect?
I don't know if you help people, not see them power with them as so far.
You call me
Me you
driving.
know size, you know, so me not listen to you. Make you give me this one more.
Enough. A 60,000 that when I change out.
So you can never give me the bag and give this to my friend. Only can stay so.
I should stayed by that, you know.
Tap talk like you want to hear. Come out here, so. Remember say you did I look me, you know. I mean know you long
No,
time.
me tap. She like no.
So take your bag from her with the money and
No,
give me and
no,
make me feel
anyway.
better.
Tell her sorry, me gone.
I idiot.
Alright, later, yeah?
All right, take
My
care.
daughter,
Keep in touch.
behave yourself.
Tell myself, Daddy. You're flying on broom now. Upgrade. Come here, Daddy.
Safe travel, all right?
Alright, just
Daddy! Member said not eat too much because I want the broom broke.
Candy, may I go run now? Kayla, Oli, stand up.
Yeah.
Bye, Doki.
Right.
So Celine,
Yes, Candy?
I saw you come down.
No, may I go put away this, go to the bank as early in the morning, the first thing, and I stop.
The first thing me I follow you go bank.
All right, no problem.
And me and you we talk about it because my name can go up on the account same way.
Box of Irish drink.
Celine, me and your friend for a long time. Don't follow nobody.
All right, Candy.
Hey, come on, so my money we have. Just try to pay a bit too much money you want. You see the amount of money? Where you could dirty foot boy.
Yes, mommy.
Give me friend.
Yes, mommy.
Jesus God. That's why in a real life, you know, if you put on people. You know, if you put your mouth on people, because you don't know how God a go uplift people and make them rise. Look how me class him. Then if that the dirty foot boy, they can have so much money and I'll get visa figure foreign. That means your pooper have money. Because me always say class him as dirty foot too, he have money too.
Yes, mommy.
Me they go over there to him. He too bright, he have money. Lucky door. Come in, want
Babes, my
neighbor
daughter, what go on?
Oh, no blow your stinking thing where they smoke for me. No blow it for me. Oi, you think me no know say you have money?
Me?
You have money.
So where I get money from?
You have money.
How
so
you know
all
that?
the time, me they tell you say you're a dirty foot boy. And you now walk and you figure look work for mind your pitney. I just mind you never want mind your pitney. Cause that the dirty foot man there, when me used to cross a road, saying me I tell him saying I no money. The amount of money when road. No worry yourself about that. Don't worry yourself about that.
So you know,
the amount of money where the dirty foot boy have, that means you can have it because you want dirty foot man. You. So you're general. You give who you want give money.
Foot them clean to them and so them black.
You not no ambition. Because you have money they give woman a road and you not give your pitney none. You go come out of my place and you laugh. You go come out of my place.
We can't cry, no, no money can
No, you have to come out of my place. Come out of my place. You have to come out now. I'm serious. Because guess what? Me when they think about it for a long time, so me already pack your dirty thinking clothes and where you want me to wash without soap. Or your work list. In a one scandal bag. So you go take it and you go through the door. Me so no want to in here. Me say,
but must come in candy.
If you sleep in here tonight, God they come.
Make him come.
They say nobody no know when God they come, but if you sleep in here tonight, me know God they go come tonight. So guess what? Come out.
You really pack your bag?
Me mean right now you have to come out. What you mean if you really pack your bag? Come out! Me no want you in here, galang out!
Man, me no can do, me can survive, you know. We no alright, you know.
Galang out!
Everything good, man. I left me a country place to, you know. Normal free. Oh, I go on my daughter. And I left me a country left, sir. Yeah, man. But no, so me I was up here looking money for you, you know.
my finish my live your life.
Come on, woman, I just catch up a while. I left me a country in place right now. You see?
Yeah, woman.
I'm going to my birthday man give me like one day. But me not think so. So she brown. I that me I said to so. Take back to buy one person. All stuff. One at school.
Okay. So at that you do? Eh?
Remember say?
At that you do for a long time. I walk.
Calm down, my daughter, you know. She never want to tell her car is a mad woman, you know.
She said that me I no idiot.
Calm down, man, Candy, man.
So at that you do for a long time.
She no favor me
I cheat. And breed woman and get pick me out the road. So are your daughter?
A long time she born in before she, you know.
Are your daughter know your woman? And when you're done, you say no money. Hey, come on. You know what? The two of you come out of me yard. The two of you come out of me yard. Why you so big and crazy and lazy? Big you sitting feet your nyami cake, drinky juice and leave it back up on the bed.
Mommy, I just want drinks. I want kiss cake with 2 in it and you take peace.
I never eat it. I take up it like me, I go eat it, but me put it back and you eat it. You not notice what you eat before you eat it. So you won't name anything.
Me not name anything. But no,
Big and crave and licky. Listen to me now. Listen to me. And not even half an hour, me give you something to eat. And you come back again and tell me say you're hungry. Oi. You see this?
I'm not gonna do it that.
Look. Me want you see the me turn you upside down. You see amount of oil in there?
Yeah, can't even fry one dumpling. Me hungry.
And this me have left out our Empress G send this from Canada, come give me. And the way you crave and use oil like a oil, they go out of style. And you want done it quick to enter the competition by dunning the aisle. You see what you do?
Me use make sugar and water.
You know say I run joke and I no joking with you. Me not run no joke with you.
Mommy.
You waste the thing. At this me have left. Me just give you sitting for and you come back again. Well, guess what you go do? You see that little bit of oil here? If you serve for 3 weeks.
What? Mommy, you're mad.
When me
This
say,
can't
no, because you waste it already. You're not going to get no more for waste. So you go learn to conserve. You're not going to feast today and famine tomorrow. You see the oil? Let me turn you upside down, make you see the amount. 3 weeks if you serve. So each time you go use it, 1 little tip, so lesser than 1 spoon. And see the curry. Good, nice curry she sent. Come, see it here. Me not even take off the plastic yet. You see when you use this, me beg in the name of Jesus to take time and use it. You understand?
Yeah.
Because everything expensive out here. Not cheap out here. So you see when God send a blessing in your life, you go learn to appreciate and give God thanks and tell somebody them thanks who send it come give you. You hear what me say? Because some of you too damn blasted and grateful and take people for granted. That's why some of you don't get nothing, you know. So you see who God sending out in life to go no things when me I talk, don't talk.
Me not talking.
You see where you get that dirty style from? From your other generation, them by your papa side. Every time you're hungry and me you come to, why you don't go to your father go ask him for something for
Me
eat?
don't know where they.
What you mean you don't know where papa is there? What you mean you don't know where papa
I
is there?
don't know where him there.
You don't know where him there? Or you don't know where he is? Which one?
Mommy, I'm a Jamaican. I don't speak.
Shut up!
English.
Dear me idiot, Jamaica is the largest English-speaking Caribbean country in the whole world. You damn fool, I soon slap you in your head. I English then teach you in a school. Where you come from? Two years we could slang, patois and sing thing. You idiot. Big and dunce and dumb and fool. Back at the class you did there. Who you? Let me tell you something, little girl. Take this. Go around at the kitchen around there so. You see? 2 mackerel there around there. And 1 sardine. What?
Me don't want no mackerel.
You not eat it or you don't want it?
Me don't want it.
Because I know you name it. I eat me feed you pan from you small.
Exactly. Me tired of it.
So you can't tell that where you don't work for. And where you get to eat, you go eat and learn to satisfy. That we do no ungrateful. Don't long out your mouth for me when I talk to you.
Cannot fry dumpling.
You cannot fry dumpling. Did I told you to fry any dumpling? Me say go cook mackerel and some caramel around there so. Go around there, go turn and name it. Take your Anton fashion. Me in the old school style same way, you know. I'm going to try to broke you in it for your absence. See, I know everything you see out already, you want KFC, you want burger. You want go Wendy's. You want go Little Caesar.
Mommy, let me talk. Last month you feed me pa yam. This month you feed me pan dumpling and today you want to feed me pan ton because me late not going to work in here.
Look here, oi. I mean, I talk to. Remember, say me mother, me box in your mouth.
See money there.
You're not working. And your father get one little work now and again. He not work all the while. You have to learn to satisfy me. Tell about the ungratefulness when you know. That not nothing to do with me if you know what, get up from in front of me and go sweep up here. Little nasty girl. You wash your plate them for a morning?
No, you if you do that, I am mother.
You know say no man as watching me are you. You think you get way now? You don't get way. Big up yourself and you run things. Go on. Can you look like I say you smell your arm and think a green yam. Listen to me. Since you start grow feather, down there so and up there so, you feel say you're a big woman, but don't play with me. You know the hide and I take man a road and they come in my house and come go on like you know a big woman and I want to pay rent underneath you. So I lie not tell this a roof ya.
You lie serious aisle there. Boy look aisle. 2 wicked, about 3 weeks.
You see that? It's not mine. This, let me take up because you're ready to come to the woman turn over this one here. You know why she bring this over here? For me keeping Miss Matty?
same thing where they go along over here with Fimi. I hit her pitney them a go on with. She beg me put it down. Your eye too red and you too little bit inquisitive. Leave people business alone and the woman back like hell. If you take out none out of them, you not pay for you know. You understand? Excuse. Come out. Go on. Go on out. Don't come back in here so to me. Go wash up your plate them and sip up here. They're too... You know, see if you be a door before you go up on the street. Don't come back to me. Go and go wash up your plate them. Go on. Go on and stop talking when me and talking on no manners. What me if you do that? You out there, go and give some... Look here, go and give some lick, you see little girl.
Hey, nice girl. Come here now. Why? You're looking good, man. You're single? You're single? You know.
Like you're drunk already.
No, man. I'm not drunk, man. I'm good, man.
Like a water, so.
Water and rum, mama. Me not drink Pepsi and rum. Me not drink Boomer and rum. Me not drink them something natural. You have to drink rum natural. When I drink rum natural, the semen and everything come up natural. No chemical business. You see me?
Yeah.
Right. So what I go on differently? You come around here live?
Yes, so what I walk down on the road and stop me. Where stop me from?
You don't live with no man?
No, I don't got no man. I live by myself. You have a woman?
Well, I have a housemaid and a daughter. I don't really have no woman live with, you know. So, but you can't come a yard, come look for me if me a yard talk.
Time too hard, I know. I'm not too on a broke pocket, man. Time too hard.
Mama, we talk about broke pocket.
Struggle and...
Mama, me have cash. Me have dollars, mama. Dollars.
See you jump on there.
Thank you, baby. Yes. Me have dollars, man.
So you can buy me something?
Huh?
You can buy me something?
Buy you something?
Yes.
What do you want me buy you? When me done, me not get your number, so how me buy you something?
Alright then, you know nobody here, alright.
Huh? Yeah, man. Just give me your number and then we can buy you something, you know?
Daddy, you don't put your number in here, so.
I got to look up at me, man.
Put your number here, sir?
Good morning, you sit down right here, so.
Huh?
I don't have no money and I want a little bit of ash over there.
Shut up. Shut up.
Yes, my mother.
No, I saw
baby mother. Hello, she said office every 3 weeks. I mean, I want no ton call me.
Oh, what kind of something them embarrassment in the parable?
Mama, look at. Yeah.
But you come like son of your money having your pocket of people money.
No, I'm calling.
I feel money, so you don't take it do every day.
Calling. Yeah?
Alright. Thank you.
Call me. Hey, listen. Between me and you, there are many more where that come from, you know.
Alright, just
So
me
you
I'll call. Me I'll call. I want more money.
You link me.
Mama, no fall for Insecure.
Let me see money, you know.
Link me.
Let me sit down.
Why did the devil send you out here to me?
The devil not send me out here. God remember me. And tell me say the right or wrong.
I God remember you.
Yeah.
Until you say.
Yeah, me not eat your money. None of that me come but me hungry. Me want some money now.
Me left $100 in the jar over there.
That $100, she don't want to give me it. You might tell me about 2 mackerel in the kitchen. And call me, go get me and make fashion. Me no want it, and me no wash no plate if me no eat.
You hear what me I say? Go back over there. Take up your caramel. Turn on the stove with some water. Throw salt in it. Dash the caramel in there. Pour it. You scale it in the refrigerator time. You dash in there with a piece of butter. And you turn it. Now butter not there. You tip little oil in there. You turn it. And eat it. Mama, you don't want nothing more. And mix little sugar and water.
Don't eat it. Me tell mommy say me take it and make sugar and water and she cuss me.
So you?
No, daddy, if you truly have money.
Hey,
oh.
don't ramp with me. Don't ramp. I'm not talking. Come go over.
Me nah.
Come, we are go over. Come.
Me nah go over.
Come. Because your mama
And
must
that's
go.
why-
Go on. Go on, sir. Go on, sir. You chat too much. Let me ask you a question now. Why you said I come out on road?
She never send me out there because look for you and me hungry.
So hold on. You mother not there?
Me tell her say me don't want no ton call me from outer road. Mommy, you give one woman outer road $200 US. Yeah, and then give me $100.
Look at you, shut your mouth. You see me give nobody $200.
Yeah, one black girl.
You believe her?
One big forehead girl.
You,
One black big forehead girl.
you believe her? Huh? After you spoil her? To follow me up and down?
See ya. I catch up a roadside, boy.
Yeah. You see me a drink?
He might run me. Come me tell the girl say, don't fall for him tricks. But come mama, me have money. Take out the money and buy and $100 and give you for share for a morning. You wicked like.
Hey, oi. Let me tell you something. Me not say you fi disrespect your father.
Amen.
Me not say you fi talk to your father anyhow.
Amen.
Let me tell you something. Me never see enough you come tell me what you see in the road. But look, listen to me now. You go have manners to your father.
And then we keep your eyes shut when into the road.
Look here. Shut up your mouth. Cause me soon deal with you know. Me soon, yes, you notice me not say nothing. You notice me not answer when you not talk. Me just say listen. Cause me want to know who I tell lie from who not.
She, that was she. Me are the older one.
Little girl.
Yes, mommy.
Who the man that to you?
My father.
You sure?
Yeah.
And me a what you?
My mother.
You sure?
Listen to me now. Me realize say you talk to me like I know me your man. And you dey talk to him
Like I know me
him and your papa.
Shut up. She say enough to talk when she's talk.
You see it? You see it? You see it?
Alright, mommy. Sorry.
Alright, guess what? You see odds from today? Me and your daughter, and me I pitney in your son. See your baby mother there. Talk to him. I come like a way me I say, a foolishness. So me shut up. Mommy talk. Cause you're my man.
I'm not acting big, but me just tell you what happened.
No, nobody call me in the morning.
See girl, they calling phone there.
Mommy talk. Cause listen to me, little girl. And me breed and carry you. But it look like I say, and you breed and carry me. And you get pregnant and carry. You're my man. Okay, mommy, talk.
No,
you shut up, your man too.
No, I'm a grandmother.
Listen, the two of we man.
I'm a grandmother. Cause only my grandmother could have chat to me so.
Shut up and make shit talk. Cause look like I say, me no teacher for a long time, so when time big people talk, if you shut your damn blasted clappers. Talk. Shut up your mouth.
But if you not talk, me not talk. Deep loud. So I act dumb so for now.
He said no talk. No talk. You have to have manners. I'm telling you know.
You.
Are you spoiler?
Go down there, give me the phone. You're banned 2 weeks straight, give me it.
But only go get.
But your backside, give me this. Me and your power work hard and buy that. Kneel down there, so. Me no want hear no talking from you, just kneel down.
All the time me kneel down and when me do up at altar. See there.
No, me no say you're a real mother here. You deserve.
Turn off the damn blast.
You deserve 100.
No money.
No, you me again.
Turn off the fan. No fan for you. And kneel down, myself kneel down. We are stoop down both. Go a little further. Turn around your face. Turn your face to your papa. And you go apologize to him for every disrespect. You laugh. You take it for joke. You take it for joke, you laugh.
Daddy, I'm sorry.
And I say,
no, I don't want that.
Hello. And I say, you go serious and think about what you're going to say first before you say it. And no laughing, no jokes. Listen to me. You're going to apologize for every indecent language and every disrespectful word you use to your father. Like I say, my son, little boy, I road. Me alone for disrespecting. You're no big woman in this. Me notice that you don't pick nowadays. Now, no manners to pick. Shut up. Like we say and we start to.
If you need a lick when you're 2 years old.
Like we say and talk to who?
Your finger, come on.
Hello. Kneel down. And if you stoop one more time, you shut your box. Look on your father and tell him sorry and no smiling on your face and it's serious.
Alright. Daddy.
Stop the laughing.
Alright, mommy. Alright.
Look, you have respect to people, man.
Alright, Daddy. I'm sorry for what I said out the road and in here to you. I'm sorry.
And you're not going to do it again. You're not make that mistake again. Tell him.
Daddy, I'm sorry. I'm not going to make that mistake again.
I hope you mean, you know. Because you say the next time me hear or him come tell me say you disrespect him, you will find out. Next time you dey hold one of your foot and one of your ears and you not lean pan nothing at all. You hear what I say? Get up and come out and listen to me talk to your father.
Well, 1 minute before you move. Take this and go wash out your dirty mouth. Go on with it. You know no manners.
Oi! Oi! Come back here, sir.
Go on.
Come back here, sir. Give back your father the toothpaste. Take the toothpaste from...
Take it toothpaste.
Come up here, so and stop. This a little girl that just a laugh like I say no
Alright,
sense.
mommy. Alright, see me here.
Take the toothpaste from your father the right way. What you must say?
Thank you.
Oi!
Wash out your dirty mouth.
No. You go take it proper. You know if you grow up with manners, man.
Yes, and wash out your dirty mouth.
I brushed my teeth this morning.
You know, seems like I know no manners. Anyway, you see, if you did a jape her up, from 2-year-old come up, she wouldn't talk so. How you talk to me, she talk to me. You know what it is?
Hold on there. We have to talk loud fishy steer on this one. You in a argument like what you always do.
Alright.
You see, it make them a pick me no manners because they tired fishy. Mother and father they argue. Mother and father they lick one another.
So you practice for me for?
You do so and you do so. Come.
So you practice for me for? Why you do it?
No, listen to me now, Papa. Me's your baby mother.
Yeah.
You're my baby father. Me and you have one child together.
You know, seems like we have a big man together.
Listen.
Because that's not a child.
From other day, I tell you somebody go to clinic. And me feel sick and me feel like I'm pregnant again. But me don't want she to know because you know she jealous.
Mommy.
Go out! And don't talk to me. You feel have manners.
Come back. My peroxide to kill germs.
There's a story I no want she to hear. Me no want she hear. And you chat for she hear. Listen to me. Me I tell you something say me feel like me did pregnant, me never sure. Cause me a spit and a vomit. So me go a clinic. And me do the test. And me see 2 red streak. And the pregnancy test something. So if them say me pregnant for 2. Me never 2 weeks ago. You know how later where you want to do?
Come, fine clean it. Fine clean it. Fine clean it. For 2 weeks, fine clean it. No, me can't take it. Me cannot take it. Me can't take another big woman in there or a big man. Me don't know which one I come. So we have to save our life from now.
Papa, I don't know if I get me pregnant for 3 now.
No.
I'm not sure if I you. Because remember saying the last time you did go doctor then say your sperm count low. So I don't know.
Somebody got dead, you know. Somebody got dead.
So you not have to give me no money if you go dash your belly where you're not sure say yours.
Hold on. Think about what you just say a while ago, yeah? Think about what you just say. Just think about what you just say.
No. Like that man there because
no.
You first give me money now. Are you first give me money now? Are you first give me money?
But you can't know a man do and still be a lady. You cannot do that.
Me no want be no lady, me a woman.
Alright. Let's think about what you said.
And you first give me money and see they know a bossy boss and this happen to me. You can't take it because me not like that man there because...
Think about what you say, yeah? Think about what you say.
Me not dash you nothing neither. Me they give you your name, me a put you there. You have to come and ask that go outside.
Mommy, I wash up the plate and everything. I laid off everything. I'm hungry now.
You want to call me later on there?
It look like Daddy either dash me a ring on the thing. When I see it around there in the kitchen.
The cornmeal, when me tell us if you go look about. What you say?
Yeah. It look like Daddy either dash me a ring on the thing. I don't know when it's there. I don't see it.
So you not eat nothing?
No.
Come here.
Yeah?
It's what me I tell you say. Anytime you see anything in the house, you have to take time with it. You don't take time with nothing, and that me don't like with you. You waste things too much, like your family them rich. And even if you're rich, you're not supposed to waste things. You give things to people who in need of it. You don't waste it and throw it away and them something there. You know how much people out the road hungry? Yes. You know how hard me have to work to make you eat?
Yes, Mommy.
Okay. The amount of dirty clothes that me go around and wash, people dirty clothes.
sweep up people yard and all kind of something just to make you eat and your father go doing like a 1 and 2 work and sitting. You need to take time with the things them. You can't waste out the things them. You understand?
Yes, mommy.
So when you see me go to market, I may buy a little grocery bring in the house. You need to take time with it. And the other day, I go down the road, you know what the woman over there so tell me, say? And I call her name, you know, a whole heap of people live around me, so you won't get to know, because I know you're little and flighty and enough. I love go argue with people. Every time I say something to you, you carry it back to people. Like, anything we discuss in our house can't stay in our house. The woman tell me, say, I take out my things, the man I give your friend them and the whole on, gone over next door neighbor over there, so you must know where you go. But cook and one if I sitting then when me come now, you stress me out and tell me say you're hungry. Is that right?
No, mommy.
So I lie the woman I tell upon you?
Mommy, all the thing we take out and get, I want pound of rice and some I want tongue and 2 mackerel.
You're here. You're working now.
No.
So who authorized you to take out the stuff them from out of the house and you know say sometimes you don't have no money and you, especially to your pa. Sometimes you don't have no money none at all. Me don't know which woman him a give money a road or a drink him a drink. Me don't know. Me don't want to judge him wrongful.
I the girl me did tell about him I give the money, but he never did listen when me did talk. He told me if you go watch out my mouth with the toothpaste because there when me I walk come up the road when me take out the 100 out of the drawer, me see him over there so one woman and me go over there and he tell me say come me tell him say I only want a little bit of oil over there for serve for 3 weeks. And he tell me say if tap in eyes. Then me ask him for money and he slapped me on my hand. And he give the girl $200 or $300. And the girl gone and he tell the girl to call me.
So you know the girl?
Yeah, if me see her, me can show you her.
So how much time you see your father with that the girl there?
All the time when I go by bar, me don't know if
Well, maybe I'm friend and he can give, and that not nothing. He can give anybody one little change if they want it, as long as I know him girl. Because me bust up a girl face, me not ramp with my man. And your father and he's supposed to take care of you and me notice from the other day him not have no money. So me not understand where you're going.
Bro, when me ask him, say,
I want to bulb.
I don't know.
I want to bulb.
I don't know.
You go to your father now and tell him say it look like say JPS I lock off the light because him don't pay the light bill.
But
And ask him when with the money because he left fryer from morning with the money. Me no know when he gone.
I tell a lie. Other day, him boss pay him and he not carry no food in here. And that the same day they give the girl
See
the
there,
money.
JPS.
Like
Go on to your father, tell him say you're hungry
Yeah.
and tell him say if he pay the light bill because he look like JPS I go cut off the light. Go on.
So you want nothing to eat?
Me no want nothing from him. Me we cook. Me we find something to cook. No worry yourself. Just go make it.
You. Me gonna me
You
see you.
again?
Me again. Let me tell you
What,
this. Let me tell you this. I never be so embarrassed in my life before.
With her?
Reach a me yard and I call the man who give me his number.
No, me see a
And
call
I
me.
get him.
But you me a talk to me babysitter. Me house helper matter of fact. Me couldn't
You could have answered, make the house helper wait. You
No.
could have answered the phone.
do that. Me couldn't
Yeah,
do
behave
that.
like say you have woman in your head where you can't answer the phone certain hours at time.
I don't like say night you call me. You call me, me a busy man. You just give me number, you call me. Eh?
Feel like I want nice somebody and I like to get to know you. You don't
no.
interested in me?
Of course.
Me not be interested in you then. I come like saying now work.
No, listen. I want you in. And you is the key to the foundation.
Mm-hmm.
So you have to be one of the most brilliant girl to me.
Yes, but that me I say me
Lord of God.
every time me in the chat you hear that I just love pop up.
Yes, man, we see you now again. What?
We are doing here.
Mommy send me to come tell you say, if pay a light bill, cause like they go. And she said if you come ask if you call me.
Me, you listen to me. Your mother. You know, live with your mother, not live with me. Sorry. Your mother.
Mommy live with you and I see him bed and sleep every night.
You can't listen to Pitney. Pitney jealous. You know that. Your mother. Want feed me panton car meal. Morning, noon, and night. Like me, I eat that. Like I me not have a house helper cook me steak and chicken over there. I take it, call me, the sister
Which
Pat.
house helper?
Huh?
Which house helper you have? You can't even buy food every day.
You know what I'm saying?
How should I lie? Do you your daughter?
Him. Because the woman live with him. You hear? He said my mother want feed him pan ton Camille. Then he got on him out to have house helper.
That's why mother said him
Your
come on my
fool?
yard with. Fun
You
call me.
idiot?
Oh.
You understand what I say?
She yeah say A and she say B.
Well, no make it be
Woman,
a C.
believe me.
Come understand what I go on. Anyways.
Mommy tell me if you behave myself, you know. But you coming like say you're head God.
Alright.
Wait. Listen to me, young lady. You see, next you see me and your father attack. Don't come by your mother. Come up once and wait till me gonna come by your mother. Me attack about my man.
My mother text him there. And my mother there text him before you reach here, so.
You don't follow him. No follow.
And
Alright.
2 years.
Me will call you.
Back
Me are going to
some
the right
food.
Me will call you. Cause me tired of this.
Me I carry you down here, move on. And me I gonna make sure me go feed the light. I see you. You're tired to stop compound road can't see me.
Me nah share me address it true.
Cause why you tell him? Anyway, me pay the light bill. Me make sure me pay that with my last money. So I hear a phone and ring, flash stuff. Eh? Anyway, why you say? Why you sitting there promote that talk about the car meal?
What?
The car meal.
Why me send her out there if you come talk about cornmeal? She said she hungry. And she said the cornmeal missing. And if the cornmeal missing, only person leave from out of the house is you. So must you go and do the cornmeal. Why you see the little cornmeal and take it come out and go out the road? Go. Look here and go give people.
Me give me Spatsy for Tony Gin dog. Because me can't eat ton cornmeal every day. Every day me I eat ton cornmeal. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, in the night. No want something else to eat. Rice and them something there.
You give me money to buy rice or something there? As according to what you say, rice and something there. You give me money to buy anything else, a cornmeal there, so me am the cornmeal. You cannot eat what you don't have. You have to eat what you have.
Me broke.
You're broke.
Mommy.
So all you want sitting for them what you don't have. You
Excuse
have
me.
what you have.
Mommy, your phone they ring.
Excuse. Lie down and shut up. Make the phone stay. She can wait. Me I talk to your father. That me talk to you about from the other day, you know?
She or he?
You see it for yourself?
Oh.
Okay. Me just no one answer. Me not have time to answer no phone. Me I talk to you. Me can call her back afterwards.
You could have saved me as a man and save me because you know say yeah, no woman out there. They save man. They save man as
No, that's
Chelsea.
true. Other day you run like a joke with you. A joke me did that me. When me tell us say, oh, me pregnant and I must see somebody else and I you first. Remember say you always see me but me not you know about me them read and I feel that too me want hear where you have to say because you're too jealous. You so jealous and you love get bun. Me not have no other man with you.
No, listen.
I mean, I know you cut off for the argument with the camera where you take care about here.
Me not even try for man, them. Me not give bun.
Come with man argument.
Me not give bun. Anyway, you see you know, you gonna go in the kitchen, take up the white sugar and you use 4 spoons in a 1 cup and you throw it in the water, drink it.
That cannot fill my belly. I'm sorry. Mommy, and give the girl out there so $200 a while ago.
And then,
Me if you mix sugar and
so
water.
that girl is a $200 girl because every time you hear
Mommy,
a story about you,
Mommy,
you say you give woman $200.
Mommy, and a
So he's
200.
a $200 man.
Mommy.
You is a $200 giver and she's a $200 receiver.
Mommy.
Like, me need to know who.
Mommy,
Wow.
and a $200 Jamaican dollar, a $200 US.
Tap.
Hey. Where your mother tell about your mouth? Keep by your mouth. You shut your mouth. Your mouth has slipped too much. Shut your mouth. Look up
Yes, sister, it's not like you must say my mouth has slipped too much. Daddy, you must stop.
Ask me how she get the 200 US.
Me if you ask you, you talk how you give the 200 US. Me not ask you nothing.
Me boss, you pay
Turn
me.
off the fan because you not pay bill. You're too light to all that the money they want to ask about. Turn off the fan. Turn it off. I bill don't go up more and more. This one no light in here. So see that start go so again.
Me boss,
Like a bulb.
me boss pay me in the US. And Me did borrow $120 US and the boss pay me and we just hand it to her.
So Wolande, Papai,
Huh?
you is my baby father. Matter of fact, you're my man forever. For so long, and you're a boss. I pay you in the US for a long time, and this is the first news to me. You never know, say your boss pay you in the US.
Alright, before me answer that, I don't like how your phone a bling bling too much. But anyway, let me talk about this
Let me
now.
answer.
Let me talk
Shit him up.
about this now. You see, my boss used to, not still a pay me, you know, used to pay me in US, but no, me not.
You just say your boss pay in the US, which me never
Me go
aware
back
about
you, mommy.
that.
Good.
Now you come back and say your boss used to pay in the US. You feel say you can't give me any pill for take? Me nah no flu. You can't just come tell me anything and me just take it put in my brain. So me look like Yamed dear. You can't trick this a woman. You go trick the other woman them where you have a road where they hide from me.
No, I'm gonna call it Yamin.
Cause none of them your woman them where you have a road can't face me, you know. They
No,
can't stand
no
up to me,
woman,
you know.
baby. No woman.
They can't stand up to me.
Me loyal to you. Every woman that come to me with you on the finger.
Thank you with your liar self. Thank you very much. You things you can pack up my brain. Cause you things you have crayfish brain me have so you can't hold me. You see any woman where I give money a road, you're 200 US and you this and you that. And they come trick me and I no money if you pay the bills them in the house nor buy food.
So you really believe that over me? You really think, say, me go do that?
Yeah. Well, let me tell you something. Any girl where they give money a road, if they think you can't wear the ring, or them a go wear the ring with you. If they think say you a go wear the ring, or them a go wear the ring with you, or them I go come say them a wife you liar tell her me alone a wear your ring. And you go wear my ring and they go with it forever until they do us part. No girl not party. If them a take where them a take them better take it and nobody think so them can't come own up you.
Me not like the dead till death do us part. Me not ready for dead yet. Want
Because
live
we not go
longer.
dead now, you know, but the whole way I go part one day we just don't know when.
But-
So you should start at the truth because like we kill you.
Alright, let me talk it through.
You know much money dead truth and tell lie?
What talk it through? You remember yesterday when I come in and me
Papa,
take out the money?
if you know say I want lie, you go tell me. You better turn it back. I mean we hope you.
Alright, let me come clear and clean. Alright. Me did the one time yesterday me take out the money
Eh?
and me get it.
So why a big old donkey like you, a big old ass steering man like you contact like a son like a 5-year-old kid?
No, pay attention now. Me get it $100, right?
know if you say that if I stuck
And me get it $100. I did my boss money and they give me for pay because them, but money mine you can get back 100 by weekend. From you.
Which school
So me can
go? Most of your name there for go.
Papa, your ass or your jackass? Me look like a fool to you.
Hello.
Me come poo where they come try to turn me in an idiot just like you we get a chicken road and I take your money. Me look like a jackass?
Who that?
You think you can fool me? So
How?
every money when me have me fi take it give you. After you give away for your money on road and then you take for me money and go drink rum and give girl too.
So you believe
And
you,
my money you want to use by front.
you believe you pick your
So
mommy?
me front not satisfy you.
You believe you pick your mommy?
My front can't satisfy you, so you have to go on road go give girl money. Okay, so I pay down for you and I speak the truth. Oh, so you them a talk if a man want you have to pay. Okay, I wanna them. Remember, you always come to the work. You belly always about want and work in your foot. Don't stop all out in your sleep when you are. And me go and sleep at night time and the room in your throat and make nice and can't take it no more. You're damn crave. You're always hungry. So you know what me go have to do? The next time, put on a the woman you have to just go wash the dirty clothes, take out all the change and put one side and step this in by some lamp fire for your backs. The word and nail and name too much and up there and stay 9 4.
Alright, you
You
are.
tell if I little craving belly girl, you go take it on me, gear road and a punch up about fussy your backside, me go down her yard, go ask her.
Me I'll get, no way. Me I'll get one phone of rice and 2 tin mackerel.
Come get who?
Huh?
Come get who?
To cook for dinner.
Me go cook it, give you here dinner, me don't want them. Alright. Me the fancy pick and try to get to the wash 2020 and tomorrow. If I come back one day.
Alright, it's up to you to know what you think.
Let me go get one.
Alright.
Mom. Mommy.
Hmm?
You alright?
Mm-hmm.
Can I go on the road?
Oh. Sit down, let me talk to you.
Yes.
So true, you want to go on the road, you come in, mommy. You alright, me know say something wrong, cause anytime you need something from me, that's the only time you talk to me like you want little girl. But different from that, anything else, you get big. Where you go to road for?
Just I go walk.
For nothing at all? You just a go walk just for nothing at all? I must something make you go on the road.
I go meet somebody.
Somebody who?
My
Boy or
friend.
girl?
Girl.
Where you know that is somebody from?
Online.
Online? Where you about the online people them say? Remember you don't know them from nowhere. So the first time you go meet that somebody there?
No.
So you meet this somebody already and no make me as your mother know or your father know?
I did one day mega school.
So you not hear about where they go on online?
Yeah.
So you just meet people online and then go and then not make your parents aware and just go meet them just like that in person
You want to meet?
without my consent. Suppose a somebody where did fi take you away, where you left me if you gone to jail and your father gone to jail same way. So
No, mommy, nobody not gonna jail. Nobody with that.
a prison you want we go now.
The person out a bamboo tree.
So
Him they wait for me
Oh,
from.
hello. Just listen to me, cause that the person that are important right now. Listen what me I say. You don't need to go away with strangers that you don't know, where you say you meet online.
We're just going to talk out there.
Oh, and talk lead up to something else, and that something else they lead up to another something, and then another something to another. Listen
You
to
want
me.
to meet him?
Me no want meet nobody. Me no want meet nobody at all. You know what? Me nah go no jail for you. So guess what? Go on to your father and ask your father if you fit go up on the road because I ain't sending you nowhere. Me not send you nowhere.
Alright.
I will not send you on the street to people where me no know from nowhere. Then go put you in a body bag. Little more you go over news say they analyze you the blood of Jesus. Little girl, if you know me know, you find something do, you know what, go and go look outside if you see your father and ask him if you figure up on road to friend where you meet online. Cause I know me I send you.
If he say yes, we can just go on without come back to you.
I ask you still you ask me. Me not send you no way. Ask your papa. So
Okay.
in case anything happen to you, when the police them come, me not have nothing to do with it. Go and go ask your father. Me not send you out on no road. But this a girl no easy do Jesus. They don't know people. They meet people online and just run go meet them. Underage girl like you not make me aware. You not make your father know and me know for me say, well, we are come with you to see who. Eh? You know how much people them a take and they send go away. You know what they call that there? Eh? Human trafficking and human trafficking and all kind of same thing. Them a take out people loans, them a take out people liver, kidney, heart and every part of them. Eh? What are we a little and brave? No man no fear have sense. Parents no talk to no pitney them. They love too much strangers. I no make parents know where them a do from where they not do or where them a.
Why, oh boy. Huh? Nice rough. Huh? Where you time at me from?
Mommy, some can go pan go meet my friend them. Me I go here.
Let us see how your mom good luck. Anyway,
But nobody grown there, you know.
why?
No grown there yet. Wait till later. Rake up here.
Why your mommy buy them jars? You know if you wear them jars, you feel wear some dingo bag. Me don't have a problem with that one there in the car big.
I saw that.
Oh, yeah, your mommy G-string that I hate seeing a G-string, you see.
He's a
But me
big
don't know
woman.
why in a G-string. But anyway, you want me to tell you, say no.
But, Daddy, how can I say I'm closing friends?
How me close your watch? You better go on there, then. You better you go on where you go.
No, go in there, no.
I don't business with you and your mother. Your mother sitting on the road, you go on.
You go in there. Remember. You go.
And then I'm just saying, you go on.
You go in there.
Yeah. Congratulations. Because you come like me now, no talking ya. Me now no talk. In a me own place and yard. Eh?
What you mean?
You give her permission to leave the yard. Why?
Give who permission to leave yard?
My daughter.
What you talk about?
Your daughter. My daughter and your daughter.
Oh, what that?
Oh God, JPS, don't do with this.
You know, say you say you pay the bill, so no JP side problem. The bulb need to change. Anyway, make it stay. Anytime them a go blow up, so then wink. So, little more when me go downtown, me buy one bulb. Don't worry about the winking.
Coming up.
A pepper light it on today.
Why you send a little girl gone on the road?
Which little girl?
Gone back from which little girl? The most...
Then me must ask you which little girl, can you say my daughter, your daughter, our daughter, this and that, the daughter, whatever daughter. Me not say nobody, so me
You come round, you come say, Daddy, what to your man? Anyway, it look like he did this time.
That's why you figure your woman money. Give me money, me can buy things when needed in the house. See, let me tell you, say, ball go. Stop call up JPS name, call lie they tell pan them. You me know say you pay the bill late, but it's not JPS is the problem. You need to buy one good bulb.
See,
okay, the bulb a blow.
No, JPS, I can't see fan. All the fan the chip out today.
Your fan no good. From me know you. Me come here come see this a fan how much years.
$7,999 I pay for it. Yeah.
What you say about me send who?
She come and said, Daddy, Mommy said I can go on the road. You don't have to go ask her because she give it approve. But if she come round and you say yes. Anything she say, you say yes.
No go no further. You want to tell me say she really come tell us say me give her permission to go to the road.
Yes.
What me approve? Me I work at embassy to you. You see me I approve anything? Me look like me can approve anything? Me I give you visa. Look here. Me no approve nothing. Me no send nobody nowhere. Tell her say me call her. Papa, you know say your daughter take the line and say offer because a pure lie you come in and can't tell me. How the hell me fi send the little girl go a road? Go do what?
Me, she take a lie and this offer.
Why me fi send the little girl go to a road? To who? You know when she come in here and say to me sit down right here so me talk to you. Cause me don't know what they happen to you, you know. Everything she tell you believe and you know say she want little liar for a long time. Listen to me. She come in here to me and ask me if she can go on the street. Me say, why you want to go on the street? She say, she want to go meet some friend. Me say, where you meet them friend from? Where you know them from? She say, online. So me say to her, say, you just meet people online and you don't make me and your father. No. So you meet people online and you want to go meet them. She said she meet them already before. So me say, suppose they went kidnap you and take you away. You know where you are going in the world. With human trafficking and all kind of thing and loans that take out and this and that. All of them me go through with this little girl. And she really can't tell a lie, say me send her on the road. Papa, you should have known me better than that. Look here, when me ready, me will tell you a lie. But not this one. Me out of it. Me not in this at all. The little girl must see better than her man. Because
have what? Have what?
Because why should I look on her father and tell her father lie?
Okay.
And tell lie on her mother, me.
I work me the yoga, because this means I'm still working suit. I work me the
She tell you lie upon me. I did not send her anywhere.
Alright, now then. Me not better go work today now. Hungry, I go near me.
So now me know say she a number one liar, the capital A, go straight to Z liar. Now me have to go start up me big bulky eye them pan she.
You know when you get offer?
My mind tell me say a lie shit. No must you don't pine pan me.
Why after me? You ever tell you a lie?
You always a tell me lie.
No,
you always a tell me lie. You never have money for your account give me yet. You ever broke and hungry and have nothing for them and they dig me down because you want something to eat. For the little dirty clothes when me wash a people yard. Me have to take money to cook food give you and our that and myself. Plus pay fear back out of it figure we are how much mile from here so figure wash again. And you dey work. No one again you work, you know. And you get a little money and give it to your road. But don't worry yourself. You see, they always say cow no know the use until fly take it. That means say the butcher go chop off it. So then turn it round back and say cow no know the use until it cut off. Because guess what, if you fly take it, you have to chop off it down good.
So you see, you don't know the use of me? Don't worry yourself. Me just humble myself and pray to God for God give me a good man. Because you not go and good friend the other day. Me they watch you. All of a sudden you're broke like a church mouse. You don't have no money to give me, you're broke like a church
All
mouse.
right. Yeah, me will be a good father.
When? Today?
Me, I go on the road, go look for that. Anyway, me see him with a boy or
The
anybody.
little girl come in here to me and ask me, say she can go up on the road, and me tell her if she come to you and ask you if she can go up on the road, because if police all lock up none of way, you if you lock up, not me. Me not send her no way. See me tell her.
So why are me here telling the police to lock up?
So why she can ask me if you send her on the
Kaya
road?
mother.
And you are father.
If it was a son, you could have sent the son come to me. Me da go walk my son.
Me nah go down in them the details that we do, you know. Son or daughter, from I said go and ask the father, go ask your damn blasted pan, ask me not,
All
because
right.
when she get in a trouble,
All right.
and put we in a trouble, you wanna stay in the come here, take out myself, me not send her no way.
All right.
When they start hiding her man, I saw them tell lie.
Oh, me
and
have
you
me
an
tell you
idiot.
about
She
this.
come
So
to you, come tell you, say, if you not come say nothing to me because me don't approve her like me I work at embassy. You know what? Go look for your picnic and me not go nowhere.
Me I go show you, say, I know embassy me work. Me not approve
If you when
nobody.
they put on the belt upon her for a long time, should they be better?
Just when me done with our skin, put it in the bully beef.
Put it in a wish bully beef.
All right.
Eh? And I can't beef again.
Come go in. Bright. See how this son. Bright. Me not ramp with picking. Me not ramp with them.
Him beat me downtown.
Don't tell him about me beat a downtown.
Hold on.
Me buck him up a bush up there and me swash his ass. Me say
Hold
where
on.
you come from? He did a stammer and I said, I know you can't tell me where I come from. And
Hold
no.
on there. After you go tell your papa lie for me your mother. Say me send you a road and wish you know to God up in heaven knows I did not send you anywhere. You come to me. You asked me to send you on the street and I said no, go and ask your father. You really go to your father and tell your father, say me approve you to go up on the road and you know say I lie they tell. Why you do that? Why you do it?
Because me never have an online friend with too long. Him go say no.
Eh? Why you do it? Why you do it?
No man, finish your word.
Why you do it?
Why you do it, John Crow? Finish your word.
Why you do it, me say?
I'm
Hold
not
up your head. Hold up your head, cause when they tell the lie them, you they tell them big and bold. So you need to tell me why you tell a lie. It's such a lie too. Pardon me. After me done explain and tell you we are
Could I
going in
say
the world.
could I say they go to prison, you know, cause you would have prison if anything happen, you know.
You see it?
I would have tell the police.
So now you
them
come back
say,
and tell another lie against your father beating in the town when you know say up a bush past some old dirty road in see you. You see you?
I would have tell the police
know,
them say your mama send you go a man yard behind my back.
Me never money out. Me never go.
Papa,
Huh?
what me do you make you hate me so?
Because he look going on tell all that, he say, you say she can go and meet her online friend. I asked her
And
to
all when me tell you right now how it go, you're there looking at me eye and tell me say police involved. You that tell the police say me send our daughter go a man yard. You're a wicked
yeah,
baby
because
father.
at least when I, no, me not wicked, but at least when I get little freedom, little bit, you know. She would have got a
Oh,
cop.
so you want so you see when me they talk now?
Huh?
When me say you she get the lie them from, cause see that she tell lie for me and you come the chat say you that tell lie for me too. For police go with me, feel get little freedom, like seriously?
Me know what someone tell her for you.
Then no lie you that tell for me. Because me not
But
send
me
her
ask
out
you a
of the yard
question.
and me not send her go no man yard.
Your mother send you out of the yard. Yes or no?
No.
So all you can tell me, sir, mommy give you approve to go meet your online friend. Eh?
Are you send me?
Me!
Daddy. You know say if you top tell lie now. Are you send me?
Me send you.
After you tell me say me can't go on, you go come up a bush come beat me. And tell me when me good on. Tell me if I road
I
me good
said-
on. No! Tell
I
me
said to you, say,
let me
if
talk.
you and your mother feel say you're a big woman, you can
He
go on.
tell me say if he go.
And I approve.
Wait, make she talk.
Him
What
tell
you
me
say?
to
Hold on, me so make you
Mommy,
talk. You
him
told me
tell
to
me-
talk one time, so me not understand.
Mommy, him tell me if I go on.
Look for me when they talk to me,
Exactly.
cause listen, little girl,
Alright.
listen to me no. But that feels you can come tell me no. Make sure you say I true you they talking no. Cause if you think you can come tell me no lie upon your father and me believe you, me and your part two different somebody. See you go tell him lie upon me and him believe.
Me never tell him
Cause
that.
me never send you nowhere.
I didn't tell him that.
Did I send you anywhere?
No, you tell
No
me.
answer me, boy. No. Say no, mommy.
No, mommy.
See you go tell your father lie upon me and him believe. Did I send you on the road?
No, mommy. And I didn't.
When me did tell you say if you go ask your father say.
Ask him if I can go on the road.
And
Ask him say if he say yes, me would come back and ask him would I just go on. Mommy?
so did you ask your father if you can go up on the road?
Yes, mommy.
And what him say?
He said yes, go on, but not take too long.
So when you look around there, so when you talk to me for you think me your pa?
He said,
You see you tell your pa lie upon me? Nobody think you can come tell me lie. Pan your father and me just believe you so.
Look for me when you are chatting. No.
he-
You tell me, say, mommy give you approve.
me?
Like an embassy you go.
Me?
Approve.
Daddy, me never tell
To
you
go on the
that.
road. So I look
Me
for you
never
and
tell
say,
you that.
alright, you can go on because you and your mother feel like you're a
You
big
do
woman.
lie.
Me,
You
Hey!
lie.
Oh wait, don't talk to your father like that.
But him telling lie.
as your God come round here. Me come round to your mother. You know.
But daddy, you must stop tell lie.
You look for big man and say big man and tell lie.
Mommy, let me tell you this story. After you
Look girl,
send-
let me tell you something.
Wait,
Number one-
I am talking. Mommy, after you send me go ask daddy if I can go on the road, right? I go around
No
there.
man.
Oh wait.
No man,
Oi.
it's like you don't get no more, you
Hello.
never get the belt
You
good.
realize who you dey talk to?
Yeah, sorry.
Who you talk to?
You never get the belt good.
Who you talking to?
Listen when me
Your
attack.
father.
Yeah,
Apologize. No.
I'm sorry, daddy.
Okay.
Listen
Let's
when
go
me say.
outside.
I teach you something. You see on the road, no picnic I get missing. Picnic I get missing. Me don't know if they argue people I take them we go sell. So you have to be careful.
After
You see them online friend they wanna text, I know them. Our people take people picnic identical, some pretty young boy put on Facebook we catch you know. Because some of the year red, as well as brown skin, copper color skin boy. We look like milk chocolate or milk. Hour. And what? Hour. Eh?
I just want to say something. As a family, we need to sit down and can discuss things where the neighbor they not hear. You see why they have so much things that talk about this little girl and you? Because everything we they talk about in here, so we talk loud, we load up with mouth, and people hear we so they have things to cuss with. Other day with me and you when they pass, what true, me no want you in no argument with nobody. You never hear what the woman I tell the next lady say. Oh, with the over here, they cuss every time. And how she they go on like a big woman over here, and she they go on like I say, you and her they sleep.
Let me tell you something. I'm going to tell you again. Stay away from online. Because who is behind the camera is not them.
All right.
You see the picture one I see on profile? It's not them. And as a matter of fact, me, I make sure me scan your WhatsApp. Me going to scan your Facebook. Me going to make sure me have everything in a one phone.
I know that.
Daddy,
So
I know
anything...
that we fi do. Seize the phone. Me this say me I got ban it for 1 week or 2 weeks.
No, she a go to school, so she need the phone to know say if a taxi man a take you
Okay,
away, he can call.
Acho.
Me need
it better you just mash up your phone. I don't want you to search my phone.
so you rather me mash up your phone, right?
No.
Or you rather me mash up part of you? Which
You see how
one?
quick she say no?
Phone. Daddy, phone.
Oh, okay, good.
No,
Good, cause me now mash up the phone, you know.
me don't get too much lick since morning. Since there, Pabu.
Listen what me I say now. Stay away from, me I warn you little girl. Stay away from online. People behind the picture is not them. You hear?
Daddy, I want to go bed. I want to go bed now.
Oi.
How much time you want to be on there?
If you no know,
Eh?
hello.
Why you want to go bed now?
If you don't know how to speak proper English, shut your mouth.
Why you want to go bed now?
No school people are
You
saying
know,
about-
just bed today. Why you want to go back go bed? That you fi find out.
I don't know. I
just want to go.
That you will find out why you want to go bed.
Come here. Me smell.
Smell him. Smell him.
Why you smell like that? Where they come from?
Jesus, somebody dead. Somebody dead.
Where they come from and who you go to?
Somebody want to go in a barrel now.
Who you go to?
Somebody dead.
Alone.
Action.
No man. Somebody ever dead. Where there? Where me butcher knife there?
What are you going to do with the knife?
No. I rather cut you up and mince you up than get disgrace in this house. Where your mother just where you say you smell?
She smell funny like something wrong.
Like when back in the
Nothing
days
is
when
not
me and you.
No, me and you. For me and your days different from them your people your days and nowadays.
Okay.
Different smell them here.
Okay.
This I sent you high and like something wrong. Like him just don't do it.
Okay.
No, you can't do that. You can't do that.
Okay. Okay. I wait there.
You notice you saw me with a girl and a boy.
Okay. Okay.
Daddy, what you doing with the iron?
Okay.
What you doing with the iron?
You feel
No.
like you're a big woman? Make it go and hot.
Daddy, no.
Make it go and hot. You see this? Me I go press. You see the feather one up on no?
Mommy, tell me to move the iron from here.
I doing business with you.
Listen me.
Daddy.
Me no raise no big woman.
Me no business with you.
Me tell you from you.
So, already I'm going to buck you up out of bush out there's a kissy girl where you always give money. Why you never, why mommy never burn you with the iron and you want to come burn me? Me sorry, I'm out of bush. Me say me not to tell them pay me $100 say me not to
Watch you.
Want to use the toilet.
You see?
So high and burn you.
Want to use it.
You are running belly now. Should have burn off your finger then. Because the most police you want unlock your boy and plug in iron for bud pitney. Wicked father.
Me see it's so with the girl why always give money. Any day me go on the road.
Don't friend me up, you know.
No,
because you see what you
me
do
not friend
and
you.
then lie and this and that and
Mommy,
something.
me not friend
You
you.
will get punishment fee.
Yes,
What you say
I
about
know.
him?
See motor road, they say I go and say iron burning, iron not fully hot. You want to use the bathroom and the iron burning. Why want to use the bathroom and the iron burning? Why never go use the bathroom and in there you start talk to me? Mommy, me see more this a catch up in a bush. Woman sit down in a lap. Mommy look on the neck. You will find that icky right here so. Right here so.
Go on out.
That's why we are relaxed.
Go on out. Here you come chat about icky like in your father's size. Go on out. Me and your size. Me and a whole certain conversation. Go on out.
You don't want to listen to me.
Me no want to hear nothing from you. No problem.
Mommy, can I go on the road?
Come right here, stop and stand up.
Yes.
What you say?
Can I go on the road?
Why?
I want to go on the road to buy something.
Who give you money?
I'm going to ask Daddy.
You know, get the money yet, but you want to go up on the road to go buy something. Me not go send you.
Can't sit outside?
Why?
To cool out.
No. Me not stupid.
You know we'll go on the road, Mommy.
You ask me
Can
if...
sit right here? Okay, so
When you don't talk, me talk.
I'm finished.
You asked me if you can go on the street, right?
Yes.
And I said what?
No.
Okay. Now you use the head palm and tell me say you want to sit down out the door. Why you want to sit outside?
Because the air is hot.
Where did burn in a snow?
No.
Where burn in a? No heat.
Yes,
Sun. That means it now go do you nothing good for your body. Sit down this one. Go on over there so go sit down. Where your textbook them there? Run through them there. Run through them. All of the work them when they give you in a week, run through it. You think you can trick me? You tell lie upon me already. If me your mother and you can't tell lie upon me. What you want to do to somebody else and even yourself? Look into it. Little girl. You need to check yourself before you wreck yourself. Think about where the plan to do before you do it. Oh, this are not pretty.
I am not doing nothing. I just want to go outside because I'm hot.
You're hot.
Yes, I'm hot.
So now for 9 hours.
Yes, but the fan is on you.
You can spin it or you take it and put it for yourself. Me no want no fan. Me the right eye window.
Can you go on the road and get me a place? Please and thank you.
No sugar no lime around this or quench shade.
No Kool-Aid no around there. That's all you do. Talk about everything what your father did do, and you won't even tell me what you are do or what you plan to do before you do it. You just do it. And when you do it, all when we catch you red-handed, you say, it wasn't me. Like Shaggy, your father.
Me, I beg you. You want to sit outside with me? Come let me go.
Look here, me and I go outside. You see like how you torment my brain? And me can't take it no more, the nagging on my head. Go on. Go on out there, go along. But if you think you're bad, left from out of the yard. I mean, not even get up and come watch if you're gone anymore. I mean, no, say any of me come out there, so when me ready to come out there, you're missing, you're not gonna like it. When me hold you, the blood I go bitter.
You know, say come like God, they work good. Let me ever go sleep back in the same and sleep.
Awa,
You, me see you already.
where?
Na my man phone.
Which man that?
Me see you already na my man phone, girl. But
Mama, me no know where you talk about now.
that message just
Which
say
man?
20. How you look so young? Oh, you look so young.
Me no 20. I mean, no man number.
Nah, no man number.
No.
So you did na my man phone.
Me no in your man phone.
It so ends up that as me they left my yard, me buck up on you. What kind of sign? I mean, yes, they scratch me.
No. So, where you saw me for? I don't know road me I go. Where you want?
Me see you picture in my man phone. You see right now? I want to see that phone there if you know if my man the number there in there.
Where you want to see my phone for, Mama?
Because I see a picture of my man phone and you tell me say you don't have no man. So come, let me search for your number in there.
Yes, Mama. Me have man, but I'm my man. Yeah.
What your man name?
Me no know him like that. Me meet him online.
Mama.
But I'm my man.
Mama.
And he said if you come meet him down the road,
Where what?
he might give me money.
Where do what?
And we go on date.
Mama, give me that phone.
Give me my phone, Mama.
Mama, me you now get back this phone ya. So tell me where your mother name.
Mother name Candy.
You look a big mouth woman. You live up there.
Yes, the big woman will live up there, so.
Oh.
But you can't
Then
see my
to
phone.
all their mama go on and talk about people pick me and be a pick me and take people man. You know
Me
my
not
man
take
how
people
much?
man. My man is
You
my
know my man how much?
No.
My man 920s.
But he
And
tell
you
me
look
say
young. You look like you're in your teens. I don't want to be evil look like 10.
me are more than 10. Me are 13.
You know say me slap you and a little girl.
Oh my God. You know my father be?
Me not business who your father be. Me not business who your father be. No.
Me go call my father. It two of them they come down. I'm my man, Mama. Me want my phone. Mama want my phone.
Yeah. Coming on alright and ready. So I go on.
Are you me wait for because I want some money to go buy something to cook.
You want some money to buy cook? Baby?
I want some money right now. I saw you massage my foot all of a sudden here and them feel different like it a come off of one next woman foot. I never say you used to angle my foot them.
No,
and your hand them never used to feel so.
No,
Look
I
here.
want money
Babes, listen. Just take time and massage my foot like when you used to do it when you just meet me.
You don't get the partner job.
No, I'm not get it.
No, Miss. Borrow if you go deal
Me soon get it. She say by now and later to tomorrow because everybody not carrying their hand yet.
Anyway, where your daughter?
She said she said go sit down out. She not stop nag me send her out the door because she want to come out of the yard. She said she go outside go sit down catch breeze.
I get a call.
She hot.
I get a call and she up on the road.
You know ya?
All over the globe.
Ah, Jesus.
All over the globe. She not here. She don't listen. She don't listen. Beverly says, when you need. Speaking of the devil. See me?
Sit down.
Girl beat on me.
Sit down.
Amen.
One girl come in the yard, come beat you up.
Take my
my phone.
May I tell you something? Your father just... Listen. No pay your father no mind. He not say nothing to me. Somebody just call my phone and tell me say, they sit down in the yard. They did in the yard sit down? Oh.
No. Tell him say.
To me know how you lie, that's why me I use my head for you.
Oh.
Me don't know say you left out of the yard. Why somebody beat you, who you got trouble?
Me see 100 up on the ground. So me take up here and did I go buy drinks. Come in there look me him. And the girl see me out there so.
Look at
And
me.
she say,
Blast.
you.
Blast.
Me never know what you did there.
Blast. So we are doing that look for me.
So,
Yeah.
Anytime you dey tell like your father no figure it out, but me figure it out. You notice you can't look in my eye and you cannot look into your father eye. You have to take sideways and they looking at the board them. But me still listen to you. Cause it will look like idiot to you. So go and look over this and talk to it.
me see 100 up there so.
You see $100 up there up on the board?
On the road.
Oh, out the road.
Yes. And me take it up. And the girl come and say, Mama, offer me $100. So me turn around and me say, no, they're on the ground. So finders, keepers.
So I saw somebody ball. I make them make up what you say and they come pretend like they cry like they tell me about $100 no go so cause I wanted that story you come with. Are this real? What about this $100 argument? Talk to me plain and straight. Cause you're a big girl, you know, you're 13 years old. You're supposed to can talk.
She grab it.
So people understand you when you talk. You're not supposed to say, I'm see $100 up there so up there so wait, panny board? You did up there so?
The road on the ground.
Out the road?
I tell you, yes. And then the girl said, my $100. So I said, no. It's mine because it's finders, keepers. Because
So hold on there. Cut before you go further. Cut now, make me talk. The $100 where they talk about, where you get it from? A few $100?
But she was
So if somebody money drop, no, I saw me grow you. If somebody money drop on the ground, right? You they walk and you see $100 and somebody see when you take up here and say for them, why you not give it to them?
Mommy.
Your father and me give you no money? A matter of fact, where they do on the road, you tell me say you go sit down outside.
Yeah.
You see the girl we bust your ass? Where she there? Because me want to see her.
She should have bust
Wait,
her
you
ass
know?
again.
So you want me go out there go bust up your girl face here? You see that girl? I would never do her anything. Would I shake her hand right now? You know why? Because you are unruly.
Ask the way
You
for
love... Hello? Turn around. You're unruly and you disobey my order and your father's order. A matter of fact, me tell you, sit down in the yard. You take yourself and go out the road. So come back and come tell me, say, girl, bust your ass. She should have bust your ass 12 more times.
Yeah.
And that the one time they make 13.
Good.
So, look here. You is an idiot if you sit down right there, so now go back again, go pick up one next $100 for she bust your ass again. Go on, get up and go on back out, they go take up one more $100. Make she bust your ass. Tell her, I say, me say,
Ask him where you phone me.
But mommy, she never did it. She a come behind me. She a
Ah,
walk
so
up.
oh, you see where you lie now?
Phone
You see where you lie, all when you tell me the truth, me not gonna believe you. So even if you tell me the truth, you don't make no sense to tell me. Just go on back out the road and tell the girl, say, if you bust your ass one more time and then your mother said that and your father.
My phone, no, my iPhone.
No, you have to go for it. You have to go get it. No, go for it.
She gone in the phone?
Yes.
I lie they tell.
Get up and go for it now.
She said like, oh, she me didn't want to give her $100. She box me and take out the phone out of my hand.
She box you
Yeah,
and
man.
take the phone out of your hand? So what could have cost this?
Go
Out
on.
of $100, I white man with the pass I go up the road on the bike money drop from. I mean
What?
take up it.
Go on.
Hold on there, give me a pass.
Then you come.
Oh! I don't business in a woman fight. I am a man of respect. I don't deal with violence.
Come on, we are going to try.
I'm not going nowhere with my charger. You see, true, you love take people things, me I take up my things.
Good. I'll make sure it's there. That's what.
Me a come, me know.
Cause I top off your nose left and right and left. You know how you can get them. Alright. No matter murder it is.
I don't know that the girl if you take with me pick the phone. She bright.
Yeah man, I don't know why I don't know fight.
Oh. Go on in the Oi. Let me tell you something.
Uh-huh.
Let me go back and me usual spots. Me left the phone over here, so you need to hear this a story. Yeah?
What happened now?
And she needs to come in at the middle.
What happened? What happened? What happened? What happened?
You see that little girl where we have here?
Uh-huh.
She laid this smarty on 2 foot. You better she did have 4 foot.
Why no?
You know what the little girl they do? She dey a man. She a walk and tell man, oh, she a 20 and she a 13. And they text people, man. Tell the man, oh, she a 20. And the little girl a 13. She no know danger.
Am I your father? Am I your father?
You see phone ya? She no school or no school. She no need that phone ya back. And you a tell me about me to give her a phone because she want it when she dey at school, whatever. Me not get it back. If you get it back, it's your fault.
What your mother just say? What your mother just say?
But the man they are idiot too, you know. Can look on this a little old fat here. This a little pitney can look on one big old ass steering man and tell the man say she a 20 and the man believe.
Then
And the girl just tell me take the phone from me, don't know if I true.
Then you know if you send no man no picture if you know if I'm 20.
I don't know. Then they know they meet up on one another I look like. How you get the man number for you text the man?
You ever see the man in person?
I'm an online friend.
Are you online friend?
And she tell me say she meet the man already, face to face. She tell me so the other day.
Online friend?
She tell me so from the other day, say she meet the man already. And me talk to her about
If I
it.
lick you out of this, you become the cookie when
Give
in
me
the
it.
jar. Yeah.
Give me it. You know no sense. So you take
Yes,
up here
I will
and
lick it.
watch out. Take your dirty foot off your bed. You think you give me soap to wash? And the big head where you have like a idiot. I grow on and I give my number.
You know lick her good. You know lick her good. You know say she don't lick her neither. Because of your footstep in my fella.
Over footstep. Me look like what me look like to you.
Remember the first
All when me a 99-year-old, you see me I walk and I give one bag of man my number if you come call me and me text people man and sitting. And you alone me have over how much years. Now ramp with me.
you used to tell me say you are 18 when you know say you are 15. Girl, come here. I don't drink up my water. Come here, son. Come here, son. And your mother footstep here, fella. Eh? Because I know your
Sit down.
father footstep come here, man. And your mother footstep here, fella.
Daddy, I'm following your footsteps with the line thing.
Just call me here one more time say you follow my footstep, make her fresh up your breath. Just say something. Say something out of your mouth again, boy, me again. I feel my footstep here.
Oh, you don't understand
Make
life, you
I
know.
spray you.
You see when you're wrong, you're wrong. And you see when people attack you, you need to shut up and look into yourself and know say you're wrong and know say you're not going to do it again. Me notice that
Me
every
upset
time
you.
we attack to you about something where you
You
do,
don't look at the news.
you constantly attack when we attack like we on your size. Top friend do it. We on your size. Me tell you something, you bust your ass.
Lick now, help.
Tappy
Lick
man,
now,
tappy.
help. Lick now,
Tappy.
help.
Come back out of here again and you will see.
Look
Come out of here again and you will see what me do to you.
that phone and name cellular or phone.
Eh?
Or beep beep or tip beep. Do not give him back that phone. And as of
Me
from
tell her
today,
to put down your
you are
phone,
no longer
you tell her to
a
take
part
it
of
up.
WhatsApp. Now, with the other word,
Instagram.
Instagram.
I'm not coming back.
I know that. Yeah, there, man. The police, then we know if you do with your underage girl on road, then can you cops your fault. And if they call me and ask me if me your mama, me I tell them say no. See, so when you do your foolishness them out the road, tell them say your mama dead, and then your granny you grow it, and your granny not no phone, so then we take you and carry you go cops. Me no busy with you. Since I a big woman and I walk and I tell man boy you're 20. When you're just 13, you're out of the road. Man, you know one before time.
What are your fault?
My fault, me not take no blame for no picking with one man before time.
You cook.
Who'd not run way? Who'd have for everybody? And me have to tell her that.
Hey! Who are that in your mouth? Hood is not for everybody. Who are that in your mouth?
Me not talk about you, you know, uno man, you know.
Oh,
Who'd have for every woman?
Oh, yeah.
But when it's the right time, it's the right time. She won't go take wood before time.
Oh.
You see, when they reach certain age and fees, the parents can't talk to her. So you put yourself in a disaster. Yeah? You're not woman.
No, because
Who'd have for all away? Not uno man.
Don't do it, so.
Who the fi all we not uno man?
No, say
Uno done.
woman. Say the word woman. When
Alright,
you
who the
argue
fi
with-
woman?
Yeah.
But them a pick me and they want to take food before time, then to out of order.
Tell them
They
to
fi
book
listen.
off them.
That's why police them a go on and create them up off a road, you know, and a lock up the parents them for neglect, you know.
No, they have
Because picking them too bad.
Lock up, picking them and let them.
And then they lock up the parents them and they say parents neglect, and we cannot know. How can a parents know everywhere them picking them every moment or every move they make of their life? Nothing can go so.
big man.
You send them at school, then take time and hide clothes before they come out of the house because they know the parents are
Listen
searching
now.
bag. So they hide the clothes somewhere. And then they come out because they know the parents are looking at them bag, then they go on a beach with man and sitting. You know how much high school pitney, then catching a car do right with man? Police lock them up too, you know.
The thing is, with some of them look up at me and what they feel like say the world a run too quick.
Yeah, last sweat.
So they want and the big man them to tap it too.
Boy.
The big man them to tap promise to look up at them money.
And the pitney them feel learn. You chat about the big man them fi stop promising little pitney them money. Yes, them fi stop. Me understand what you say. Because the pitney them when them a give money, then can be them daughter. But the pitney them fi learn fi satisfy with what them parents give them and stop take things from man.
Some of them brain young, so you have to understand to them brain young.
Then young, of course, they all we did young, but them a generation they have sense more than me and you. So listen, this is a technology world we live in, you know, technology world.
Why you think?
Modern time, a civilized time now, but why you think you need to listen when me I say to you know, because say she when they listen to me, she wouldn't end up and do this.
Me say, the big man them must stop.
The big man, they must stop give the pitney their money, but the pitney them must satisfy what them parents give them.
Some
And
of
that
them
you're not
not-
looking
Some
to.
of them not satisfied.
They know that me they tell you.
The big man
They're
them
not
must see the
satisfying
pitney
with whatever them parents can afford, so they go take things from big man through then see other rich people pitney. They are school with iPhone and all kind of phone they want phone too, so they do anything for get it. The man them figure prison and the pitney them figure cops. Me not put nothing for no pitney alone and me not put nothing for no man alone. Pitney must learn to satisfy with what them parents can afford, and the man they must have sense and know say then if it top ton pervert, pedophile, child molester, else a prison them a go head with them tongue long out of their head.
And you can't believe it, say them a young girl nowadays. They say big man before them hold their head so. If a man call off for them, just hold their head go so. Then the thing
The
when-
children them a go on like I said them a big woman.
how make them become a big woman, them mother.
Oh, them mother. I know everyone I mother them stay so in our world. Don't do it. You have good decent mother out there. Don't mix up the good decent parent them with the old crosses mother them when I'm busy with them pitney. Not do that.
Look at Susie. You didn't know say Susie I sell out in the girl picking over there?
You know why Susie doing that? Susie did not grow with no love. Susie do not know how to take care of children. That's why them say before you be a mother, you got to be a woman. Susie breed before she be a woman. She can't turn mother before she be a lady.
You can't sell out a 12-year-old.
Then that me they tell you say she get pregnant before she became a woman.
The poor little girl.
You don't understand what me I say? You don't understand what me I say? You don't get it all now? Before you be a mother, you got to be a woman. That means from you is a woman, you is a lady. But if you go breed before you turn woman or lady, what you think? What you expect? You just leave yourself out there to the world and the devil. You understand? So we need to grip up this one here and take her up more often in her hand. She too loose, because all me they do, she come like I say, make you tire.
Do not give her back the phone. Because
Me? You know how much time I tell us if you take your phone from her and you chat about school this and school that, so she want a phone, and you give her.
no,
Till she go and tell me now she at 20, are you? And you want to blame me?
well, if you last, you know you last. Don't give her back the phone.
Big old girl like that can last. If you have sense and know if you go tell man say she at 20.
Me I go look for something. See, me I get a call.
Alright.
Hello?
Me don't talk, you know. Now go no prison for no pick me.
Where are they? My phone. Yes. Hey, madam, I didn't have to come for a long time.
Hi,
Hi,
I'm Candy.
I'm Shanice.
I'm your mother. I'm here to say I have her phone. What is the problem?
Oh, yes, me take your phone cause. $100. Which $100?
Hold on. What you say?
She violate my sister. She text my man. My man is not a little pitney. My man is a big man.
What you say?
He's a little pitney. She violate my sister, right? And then she start text my man.
And my man is not a little pitney. He's a big man.
No, he must look
Hold
big.
on. So,
Tell me say I'm 15.
excuse me. You can't shut up, please, when I talk to her. Where she get your man number from? Or she just text your man so? What kind of business you and fear man in?
I don't know about, but she tell the man so she older. Then me say she. But me they wonder when me the first see her, me say, no, I can't she, cause she not like 20.
What you say?
She tell the man say she at 20.
She not 20, she at 13. And that you do walk and tell man a road say you're 20 when you're 13? Eh? So a man you they look. So you a look man before time. So penis a runway. You can't wait for your time. Anyway, you can give me phone please and thank you for tell me. Thank you. Thank you for tell me. I'm not come for no argument with you. I'm not come for country. So I just did want to say who take your phone.
Yes.
Because first of all when she reach home, am I child enough so I know say she a liar. So I did want to see who have the phone. First she tell me say some $100 argument sitting and this somebody take up take away $100 from her or whatever. Me know me never give her no money and her father no give her no money. So me no responsible no $100. And when me hear about the phone, that's the reason why I come out here. And thank you for tell me. So that you do walk and tell man.
That where she come from. So I want me they walk for look if me see her parents. I never want to give back she the phone.
No.
Want give somebody big.
I right thing you do. You not do nothing wrong. Thank you very much. Yeah. Okay, so you reach 20 now. Thank you. Thank you, my darling. So you reach 20 now, you're not about 13. Go in the yard. Me and your father need to talk about this because all along, you do your foolishness them and the two of we on go to talk to you about it and you don't get no beating feet. Watch me you. Your papa saying beat you other day, me not think you feel it. Watch me you.
Alright.
No, man, listen. I have to go home. Look, you sleep enough with you last night. I'm enjoying the night. So if you show me enjoy my night, I'm going to give you, what's it? You're working about. Alright. Buy some, Mr. Taylor, no food in it. Oh.
So this money I'm worth. Don't worth more than this.
At 60 grand, I never give one.
So why we can't get more?
You can't get more than that.
Wham. What going right here, so?
I'm a co-worker, my boss, I'm a PR, I'm a PR.
Co-worker.
Huh?
My co-worker there.
You.
Oh, I'm be a co-worker. I'm a woman. I'm be a co-worker. Me I hear the work you said, please? Yeah, man.
Missy. Track. I'm a co.
I help her this way of your yard. Come and say no. You say you have a daughter and a helper.
Me tell you something, I have a daughter and a helper.
Yes.
Me tell you something, live with my baby mother. I'm a picnic. And me tell you, say, that's why the boss now, that's why I'm not coming last night to call the boss. The boss,
you never come in last night because I was working my body. What are you talking about? Why are you there familiar?
Maybe. Yeah.
Yeah.
I want to walk on right here, so that me I talk about.
How are you hide because me for your big man? Let
wait there. Let go her. Let her go.
Let me go.
Let her go. Come out of the way and come over here, so me soon deal with you. Come out of the way and mind you get where you not forget.
She tie me.
Who tie you? Who tie you?
You know some men go bust her ass, but me nah bother. Cause from me hear where she say out her mouth, me know say a true she attack. Or you fi meet woman a road and tell them say you live with helper and your daughter. When me and your baby mother with the few much years. So that's the reason why you don't have no money. That's the reason why you don't have no money because you think you get woman out the road. Okay. You see it? You see yourself as a father? You see yourself as a man we're saying live with a woman? You're sorry? Right you know you're not sorry yet. Because your daughter miss her. And she me and walk and I look for else. Me wouldn't go and see you and she. And a matter of fact, Lily girl.
Me
a big woman.
Yes, me a big woman for you.
Yes.
You shut that ass up. Shut up. You a take for me baby father money. Why me and my daughter cannot feed
still depend you.
I know my part. I never know see it exists. But one thing
You
that
never
me
know
not
say me
jump on
exist.
you yet.
One thing me cannot job for me yet is what?
I probably not know good ways about as me I say.
Hey, you chat too much, girl. Come on, go down on this. My daughter really missing for you.
So wait there. So you know, all the whole night, all the time, you the hear from day say, your daughter miss me. You no realize it too. Or you think of somebody else's daughter name so?
Remember, say me never come in
How
last
old you
night.
little miss? How old for daughter?
My daughter, but me not hear nothing.
You know, you're not the
Me did
first
the
news to you.
fireworks and
You
night
know
shift.
why it's the first news to you? Because you don't have any time for your child and your woman at home. You have time for other woman out the road and a mind shop that the woman they have another man. And that the another man they have another woman. You see why sickness go on? Because you love go be a back, you know. You know like use protection. You they tell me, oh baby, me now go get you pregnant, me we pull out it. And see there, little miss come. So you soon give me little sir. After you they walk around and they fling your private part all over the place and now protect yourself. Like seriously, and this what they do. No wonder why you ever broke. The bills then cannot pay. We ever hungry in the country, boy. You don't want turn corn meal to eat. After you know where they take your money and do with it. Like seriously,
Come
what?
go
You
look
try
for
to
your
cut the
daughter.
argument.
Come go look for your daughter. Don't secret about it. She's nobody. She ain't nobody. She ain't nobody. Them girl can't tap in your shoes.
No, me ask you one question. So hold on there, Papa. Me is nobody.
No, me say she.
No, me ask you one question. Me I talk about myself right now.
Somebody.
Me no nobody.
You're somebody.
So for me private part not good enough for you make you the walk
no,
and
me did
sleep
the
on.
resting. Me did the resting.
Me tell us I'm tired. Eh? Me tell us I'm tired.
No, me.
Me tell us I'm tired or me bust up your face down your boy. Me tell us I'm tired. Eh? Me tell us I'm tired. Me tell us I'm tired. Eh? Me tell us I'm tired. You ramp with me, you know. You dey ramp with me too
Me
long
up a
and me
yard.
get serious you know.
Me up a yard. Oh God, man. We don't know the feelings. We're talking about me and my daughter now. What is it happened last night? That me not understand. That's why me said that me shouldn't drink too much.
You don't know do this foolishness. So you just want rake up fire in a road with woman and me down there so and then come and chat but you done it
I told
foolishness.
me to drink last night. Me kind of miss my turn. Me I walk, and me just miss my turn, and me just reach at the yard. Nothing wrong with that. Yeah, go on like that.
You know, me feel say something did wrong with me when me come there with you, but make it turn right this so.
No,
You know, you want me say to you down the road.
you said she missed last night.
Okay.
But how she come out of the house?
What you mean?
You're the mother, you're supposed to make sure
So
she well fed.
me feel sleep with one of me lock and one open.
Sleep with the two open.
Oh, so me no fi sleep none all. Me feel watch people crutches. We feel say they ready to go do what they fi do before time.
That's why I didn't want no girl picking it. I'm going to pray for boy picking at the belly and you come push out girl picking
The
it.
only difference between having a boy and a girl, the boy cannot get pregnant and the girl can get pregnant. But the boy, we go breed that people pick me. That you fi know.
I'm going to tell him go walk. But when the girl go breathe, for man and man, put him out, and yeah, him going to come back. And Bailey can feed him. So how me going to feed and pick me and woman? Tell me now.
You know why all of this occur, you know? Because you leave everything for me and the time you should have pay attention to your daughter, make me sit down and deal with the situation, you out the road and give woman money. Me no know with your excuse.
You know.
Excuse, me tell you something. You see tonight, you see when night come down, tonight, make sure you see your bed, brush your teeth and brush out your rum out of your dirty mouth. Cause I don't like smelly rum when you drink and they come from your woman yard. Wash off the woman center for you. And when you dey sleep tonight, use one different sheet cover. Make sure you go over the corner. Me see you tie in.
So why things change? Why are two different separate sheet now?
Because you have woman with me can't bother with you. You alright?
Can't say that, man.
Who that a knock your door? Who that?
Come in.
You not even know who but you're calling.
I can't jerk it. Watch ya. She yes everything. She yes everything. Where you come from, little girl? Where are you coming from? Me here saying you sleep here last night. You a big woman? You how much?
30 years.
And where you should have the last night?
You was there.
So where you come from? Where you come from? You think where you do right? No, me I go serious now and be a father. Me think say no, me I get out of hand now. Me have to feel and man up now. Because your mother now mother and woman up. So make me man up. Look girl, I ask you one more time. Where you come from?
I sleep in the bush last night.
You sleep in the bush last night. But where you go before you sleep in the bush?
One say they know I'm talk back to the boy. So many tell him say he and him break up.
The boy where they talk about. And you eye dry, you see? That the boy there how much you roll. Cause if you can tell boys, oh,
I'm 29.
eh? So true, the boy at 29, you tell the boy say you're 20. Oh, I see where this 20 they come from. It look like I eat a play for cash party tonight. Little girl. So like seriously, you don't love yourself. You're 13 and tell man say you're 20 is a wicked little girl. The police them, although mother get in a trouble, the police them should have see up on the road and lock up your backside and lock up the man.
20, just say what? I'm gonna hear good.
Say the man at 29. That's why she tell man say she at 20. You think them a pitney nowadays easy? Then don't easy. Then tell man wrong age. And
I mean, they blame man mostly.
okay, and to them body bigger. That's what I tell you say. You have to blame the child and blame the man. Cause the pitney them with the mother with can be them daughter.
Me say my sister, cause that's how you go. But let me talk to you now. You see, we are run down, not ready for you yet. You see, baby, look how me and your mother suffer with you. Eh? Me not have no money most of the time because, alright, me mess up. Because me have the money I give woman out the road, which me should have then give to my family. Me I give it out, but I too, sometimes your mother rough me up and cuss me. And other woman out there nourish me and cherish me. But now me learn, say sometimes you have to suck salt before you can reach sweetness. You understand? So me go start suck salt and share the money between my family. No more ton call me. But hear what me I say? It's where you run down.
Where I do? Eh?
Where is it?
Where they do? Where they say to her? How you give woman, I mean, you give woman money a road and no suck salt. What? So you admit the fact that you were giving woman money outside?
My mouth slip again, man.
Your mouth slip again. It look like you don't know when to talk, how to talk, and where to talk.
So people get a box with the left hand.
Come out a big people story and think about what you do. Think about how you take up man before time put on your head and don't want to take your book at school.
At 13.
You who?
At 13.
That don't look like you're sorry because you have this smell like you will do it again. Where do? Sorry say you come back and sorry say you never stay a little longer. You not sorry. You don't sorry about you sleep in a bush. See who you can trick then, not me.
Chico.
Who are you sleeping at the bush? I think me not listen to you too, me not saying anything.
At 13.
Me not sleeping at the bush.
Let me tell you something.
And you have your yard for sleep.
At
and go
13.
sleep in a bush.
Yeah? What teachers? Jai, me I chat to you. At that age like yours, if you get pregnant now, who take care of you and your pitney?
Nobody look over here, so.
Who
Cause
will
me
take
cannot
care of
get
you
you.
and your
Hello.
pitney? You can barely wash your
Me
body.
cannot get you pregnant, so I
You
could
can
never
barely
me.
bathe yourself. You can
And
barely,
that you talk about the girl Kevin wash her drawers.
you can't even cook.
And then they do with man.
Miss you fry egg. And Miss face a bun in my
You know, say shame you not have me realize you don't have no shame.
Listen me
Because look when the stuff them what you do. And your father they talk to you, you skin your teeth.
Let me tell you this.
I skin your teeth like I know nothing.
When
I
last
laugh
you
for the
watching
laugh off of him. So you take him
When
for
last
idiot.
you watching news?
And they go back go do it again. You know, say I laugh, she laugh off of we.
2 years ago.
2 years ago. Let me
Yeah.
notify you now. This morning I was looking at the phone. Answer for the news where a 40. Take that backside off of me. We're a 14-year-old.
So you have to do me saying
Get pregnant. And our workless mama go to abortion. Eh? Our workless mama go to abortion. And you know what to her?
Abasho? What?
Abortion.
Abashant.
Abortion, yeah.
God. What you saying him? Abashant.
Alright, in what
Me name no say Abashant. De. Me think of Abashan. So you put T out I end. Jesus Christ, God come down. Me pick up dunce man. Me pick up liard man. Liard pitney. Deceitful man. Hey.
No, listen. Well, me tap to the road.
Night I come down. I want to go sleep.
She dash away. The mother can't go dash away. I want a private doctor. The pitney don't live for sick today. She died. The mother and the doctor, they are prison right now. So, you see, any of your mother can you tomorrow morning go check you and you're pregnant. You and your mama go and carry. Cause me nah do no dash away. You no go and carry. You hear what me say? And under this room you do. Any man where the puppy, you and your mama go and walk with one of them barrel legs. And why
You know me realize with you? Your belly full. That's why you talk so much. If you know you shut your damn clappers. I know make me you have nothing in you. Who are go mind that and carry go away? Who are go that show that? Eh? You see symmetry mark for me? What you talk about?
Me never say dash away.
So who figure can pick me and just say I know you are go dash away and me and your mama go do her?
Me never say you are go dash away. Me say him a go carry. You, she and you I go carry it.
Me and she I go carry. I feel me belly in her. I feel me belly, whatever you talk about, go in her.
So you are go find
You know say it's a bad father, you is not a good father.
So when me I tell
Because
you,
even though she do and she wrong, we no care God that it, you know. Or me no, as you say, me I go care. Me no care that it, you know. You cannot prove if she pregnant or she not pregnant, you know. And look where they take your whole stupid tongue, do. Call down breed pan her.
so what are they? You know, can carry her go check a semen in her.
I see man in here.
Semen. Semen, yeah, not semen, sorry.
When she go a doctor, the doctor will do everything. I am
You know
going
what me I tell
bring
you,
her
say
to
no.
a gynecologist and make them test her.
You know what me I tell you, say no. You see, as of from today, you see when they start go to school back. When school open Monday morning, right? Me I call the school if you know say you reach. You see when school over, me I call the school if you know say you know for the school
Boy,
compound.
them a pick me as then Jinal. Them a pick me. They will behave like a good children in the school. When they come home and they run them parents and behave good. You know, hear all the people they matter about them and the bus driver, them taxi them, how they can go on in a them bus. And when they in a bus park and I be a kiss up and hug up and be a bad word long fire so go straight over so.
Well,
And when tiny big people them see them and they say, little girl, why you behave like that or little boy, behave yourself. You think you people are size and you see big people here so go. If you know then tell the people them figure do. Then figure do what with them, you know when me they chat the S word.
you know what me I tell you?
They not no manners.
Me I keep a track of you.
If you chat to them, then say you know them ma and you know them pa.
And
Say if you talk to them.
you see your book? Me I run through it every day. Every day me I run through that book there. You see, if me not see no date in a
Look here, you know make no sense to keep her, yeah. You see when you they say to her and when me they say to her right now, she here cause she not deaf what it gone through 1 year and go through the other. You better we send her a cops.
What you?
Because she go do back the same thing again.
You're right.
She go do back the same thing. You know,
You see that
say
same bag where you run there with? Me I go make sure say me bring you a cup.
a cop see figure, me no want him here.
You come.
Better you breed me and give me twin. This time, instead of that they want them, I say that man, carry my cops, I feel me pick me, but God forgive me and pardon me. Better than then, the homes where Babylon are watching me, the out here, so me can't manage to watch you. Go on a children woman.